direction she was calling mine. Could be an illusion, but I might as well try, as well try. She had rings on her fingers and bells on her shoes. I knew without asking she was into the blues. She wore scarlet begonias tucked into her curls. I knew right away she was not like other girls, other girls. In the heat of the evening when the dealer got rough, she was too fat to open and too cool to bluff. As I picked up my matches and was closing the door, I had one of those flashes. I'd been there before, been there before. Well, I ain't often right, but I've never been wrong. Seldom turns out the way it does in the song. Once in a while you get shown the light, the strangest of places if you look at it right. There's nothing wrong with the way she caught my eye. Could be the hard way to let her pass by, let her pass by. The sky was yellow and the sun was blue. Strangers stopping strangers just to shake their hand. Everybody's playing in the heart of gold band, heart of gold band.
Good evening, traders. Welcome to episode 470. You be doing anything, you're here, and I really appreciate it. Boy, I just don't know how we would ever be able to compare against the day stream. Day stream was nuts, man. Night stream, we'll see how it goes, man. Alright? It's always back and forth. There's always an ever-going battle for which stream wants to be better. Like, which one's more lit than the other. Okay, so we're just looking at Bitcoin. Hey, topic of discussion, in case you were not able to participate in the day stream. Golden cross has happened. It is real. It is confirmed. The bullish crossover occurred April 22nd. No, I guess it would be for April 21st, but yeah, I guess the 22nd. Yeah, the crossover happened when the new candle opened. So today, the new day, it is upon us. All right. Great, man. Last time this happened, we went on a crazy bull run that lasted for years. But the thing is, okay, man, like all I did was post on Twitter the statistic of what happened the last time we had a real golden cross, right? And then you got like these really cool analysts, man. They're saying you forgot to mention. Yeah, everyone wants to be a snake charmer, man. It's like, dude, who are you? Like, why are you even messaging me? Because like, you clearly don't watch my live streams where we talk about the fake out all the time. Every time we go back to that time period, we talk about that golden cross fake out into a death cross, into a golden cross. The one that happened in October of 2015. All right, so go back to Twitter world, dude. Stay there. No one cares. Or start your own channel so we can make fun of you. All right. Anyway, highest candle high close, right? 53.90. You know, that's the highest candle we've had of the impulse, right? I think someone mentioned something about it. Highest highs we've seen since November 19th, really, right? Great, man. I mean, look at this. Oh my God, man. Y'all remember this live stream this week where we had like 2 10-hour marathon streams back to back to cover this for y'all? It's good though, man. It's good that we're breaking the upsides, making higher highs, 5,500. There's a resistance there, you know. All right, we see it. Candle close. There's another candle close back from 2017, but that's why we wicked. That's why we wicked there. That's where we wicked. The 618 was also there, and yep, just continuously climbing. Awesome enough. You broke above the heart line on the close, and now you're still above the heart line. Really good price action, but remember the weird thing. The really weird thing is where we're making higher highs than our previous highs. Clearly. Different swing highs, and guess what? Negative momentum on the histogram, and you're kind of overbought. That's not really the best behavior. Okay, I'm sorry. That's not proper. Nor is an impulse up and then upsloping consolidation. That is also improper. So daily, you have the golden cross. There are some other causes for concern. All right, that's what's happening right now on Bitcoin on the daily. But going back to the 4-hour. As of today, or as of yesterday, I guess, we hit the third target of the bullish cipher pattern. 38%, 62%, 88.6%, and not more than $5 to $10 higher than that mark. But hey, maybe the crazy world's going to happen where we break above 54.30 and we run to 5,500. Okay, because remember, there are some resistance points. They're very minor, but they're there. But the main major resistance is at 5,800. That's where the big ones are that we have not yet seen. Okay. Anyway, that's Bitcoin, man. Reiteration of the analysis today towards the end of the stream. Great, man. Glad to see we're holding on and we're not just dumping. Good. Guess we can just go to Ethereum, whatever. Congratulations again to Dyer Guy. Made a ton of money. Just be careful on. I know you're probably not using leverage with that kind of S coin, so hopefully that was less than 5% of your overall portfolio. That's kind of the rule, man. Okay. So arguments could be made that we hit the entry pretty much. But if Bitcoin keeps right, if Bitcoin breaks 54.30, runs up to 5,500, this thing's going to continue on up too. Okay. There's the thought of the potential slanted head and shoulders we can look at in a minute. I know there's a lot of stuff going on right now, but please understand, this is not simple technical analysis. This is very complex. This is like we have the crab pattern, the rising wedge with the divergence, and then we dumped at the critical resistance. Hit the first target, but did not hit the second target. Just so close, yet so far away. And you're climbing now, making lower highs than your previous highs. Again, for now. Okay, so I guess let's go to Kraken so we can look at it real quick. Right, so interesting here where we are holding still after selling, right? After rounding out, we're pivoting and attempting to run again, but you better break. You better break and hold above 175.56. I mean, you better. You don't want another lower high on your hands after already making a lower high than your previous high. Don't you be consistent on your scrubbiness. Hey, Gordetsky, man. Thanks for the $2 super chat, dude. You say, how epic would it be if we catch the move to 5,800 now? Ugh. Well, of course, man. I wish we would have done it today or 5 years ago, right? Or something. Of course. It's always... It would be epic on stream. You know it would be. The rare times we get the opportunity to cover a breakout live, man, they're normally legendary, okay? And a lot of fun. Snake, it's true. Yes, Bitcoin should have dropped, but it is still showing some strength. And we're just inside the parameters of an upsloping channel, a form of consolidation that all started April 2nd to now. 20 days of higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Everyone's so bullish. Well, I mean, whatever, man. It's like, they can be bullish if they want. I mean, what's wrong with just being like, why do I even have to have a name for what I am? Why can't I just say, hey, man, oh, nice, nice. I think it's the first one. Check out the alert box.
Mitch Wilson Ray, Bodier Sensei, the master of RSI karate.
Nice.
You're a bad hombre. The mayor of Greenbow, Alabama. Could you please take a look at CND? Doritos and ketchup with Nutella for dessert.
Oh my god, that's terrible. Peter, Asher, thanks, dude, for the ketchup and... What? Ketchup and Doritos with Nutella? Dude, I'm glad I already ate, man. That does not sound good at all. That's like one of the worst. I mean, tequila and prune juice is also awful, but we'll probably have to wash everything down with that. Good God. Okay. Thanks for the 5 Yeah, we'll look at Syndicator after Ripple, dude. All right. So, yeah, showing strength, but you have to make higher highs now. Okay. Eventually, what's going to happen is if you make this lower high here than your previous high, see, you come down to these. I mean, this is... Look at it like this, man. I mean, you tell me. Huge impulse down, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You're trying to rally, impulse up, down sloping consolidation. Let's see if we can rise again. But this is the lowest risk area for a long. I mean, this is exactly how we played the Litecoin inverse head and shoulders back in late December. Same way. Our entry was here. Look left. This is how I played Activision Blizzard the other day. Dude, holy crap, renewable guy. Wow. That's one of the largest. Well, no, I'll take that back. King Logan tipped me like. Doesn't matter. For the XRP tip ball, that's one of the highest tips I've gotten. I guess that's enough for some Jesus chimes. Short Jesus chimes. Thanks for the 11 XRP. Thanks, dude. XRP tip bot, get the QR reader, whatever. So remember, it's like the entry on inverse head and shoulders. The lowest risk area is down here, and so one would have gotten in on the ride of the upside. You're still sweating a little bit, but eventually one would expect, or if the trade wasn't to crap out, to run to the neckline. That'd be a profit taking level for a long. Just a one of them, because if the trade fails, then one made a very good profit on the failed trade when it sells off at the neckline, which we've seen that happen before. All right, so we broke out, neckline gets snapped, we could have a very quick rise to the measured move at 129. And this is all Kappa. This is all inverse, okay? All inverse. Great to give perspective to people, right? So they don't freak out, feel a little bit more comfortable. That's it, man. See if it can play out. Don't get any higher than 175 if you want this to play out to your favor. But if Bitcoin runs to the upside, then this thing's going to go with it. This thing's just going to keep on running to the upside. How you doing, Nor? Thanks for the sub, man. Welcome. Okay. You get what I'm saying, though. The 1618 was pretty much hit at 178. I think you were just a few cents off. And then we started selling off. T-Lock Eyes for you. Welcome, man. Thanks, dude. XRP. Dude, everyone's trying. It is normal. Everyone's trying to be a. What was what the kid said on Twitter, dude? Hold on. Let me just read this verbatim. Oh, it's so arrogant. But you forget the previous golden cross of July 15, 2015. But it's normal. Everyone wants to be snake charmers to raise Bitcoin with a firm look. Okay, dude. My great man. Who's this kid? Yeah, some nobody. Whatever, dude. Like, good for you, dude. God forbid I post something on Twitter these days. People come out of the woodworks, man. Okay, so we pivoted where we had to pivot. But we have yet to break above the 20, the 50, or the 200 moving average. We fell below all three moving average. Terrible, dude. Just pathetic. So if you're Ripple, this is what's weird, okay? It's like Bitcoin's showing some pretty decent. It's not that great. Look, the bearish bat isn't like perfect. It's not like that bullish Gartley we got way back, okay? There's some contradicting variables with it, and the fact that we had an impulse up and we're an upsloping flag, I think there's a lot of things that are possible. It's not as strong. So if that's the case. So Ethereum looks really ripe for lower prices. And it looks like it could really play out. But if Bitcoin breaks the upside, then everything's invalid. Everything would be invalid on Ethereum for the head and shoulders pattern. But then how can you can't be an Ethereum fan and an XRP fan because you want Bitcoin to dump for Ethereum's sake, but Ripple has to have Bitcoin break to the upside. Bitcoin has to perform well in order for Ripple to not crap out right here. Okay, so it's like, pick your side, man, and pick wisely. I'm sorry, but the XRP fans for 2019 picked the wrong side, dude, for trading. That's for sure. All right. XRP frozen in time? Pretty much, dude. I don't know. After we hit our first target, sure. I don't care. I mean, whatever, dude. It's all good. Yeah, let's do it, Demetrius, man. Omega Law, dude. Omega Law. All right, let's get through some chat. I've just been going, I guess, right? What's up, SullyTube? Bitcoin Connect. Exactly. You get me, man. What's up, Casey Taylor, Guy Gamer, Anthony Rossano. I'm Kolo. Infinite Paradox. What's up, dude? Goes to GG. No re. What's up, Broccolinos? Hey. Good to see y'all again. What's up, John Doe? Sin City. Slim Shady. Dude, Slim Shady is celebrating his 11th year sober today. It's in the news. It's on talk radio. It's people talking. Okay, whatever, man. Give Cobman the Kang his bull run. Okay. I've done my part. If Alex Cobb's out there, he can rest easy tonight. I just did telepathy, and we might see a bull run. Kappa. All right. Oh boy, dude. Oh boy. Did no one catch that? What the? Just someone see that at all? Okay. Thanks, Slim Shady, dude. Appreciate it. Night stream lit. Gordeski, I don't know, man. All right. Gonna be hard to top a Dire guy. Thanks, Ivan, man. We'll see how it goes, dude. All right. Sorry. I'm getting through this chat because we just did Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Repel. What's up, Tykera, Spencer? Who is it that's really bullish, though? And why are you laughing your butt off? I don't understand. Holy crap, dude. I'm disappointed that no one caught that. Who was just banned, right? Beers are ready, you never know. Tion Day, I do never know. And I never expect to know. And it's impossible to get used to the craziness that happens. Okay. Oh, the good side and bad side, right? Like the crazy psychos, but also the really cool people that completely outweigh the psychos. I love it. That's right. Always online? Not always online, man. I mean, just like a couple times a day. Tom H says, no step on snake. I'm a sneaky snake. I'm all slithering like sneaky snake. Oh, does anyone know that? All right, if you've been living under a rock, you're about to be, I don't know, I guess, illuminated with light because we're at to pick that rock off your freaking face. Okay, we're going to watch this. All right, you're just gonna deal with it, and it's all Tom H's fault. He was targeted. He was targeted. You're going to be like, what the is this? But guess what? We learn about chart patterns. We learn about all kinds of things. We also learn about memes. We also learn about really stupid stuff too. Okay?
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake. Slithering in your garden, catching me a mouse. Snake. I'm a snake. Look into my eyes, Jungle Book.
Anyone get this? Thanks a lot, Tom. We'd have been fine without you bringing that up. But look what you've done. Okay.
The Indian boy, so you can, I don't know, turn on that panther and join the snake. Because I'm a snake. I'm a slither. Look at my tongue.
Okay. All right, we're good. I think we got enough of it, but enough for you to get the point. Okay. Don't you be bringing up sneaky snakes. Think you're gonna get around me? I'm sneaky like a slither snake, man. All right. Okay. Anyway, just a break from the monotony of the charts, dude. I mean, my God, how many charts we have to look at before you're satisfied and satiated? Good Lord. Hello? Oster Toaster? Oh my goodness, man. Alright, hold on. BK, if you're out there, man, we'll get it, dude. I don't know if my channel will get striked on that or not. Okay. That's some pure content. I mean, that was the equivalent of March Madness basketball game, right? I mean, just about the same amount of entertainment. Well, that I got out of it anyway. Okay. Okay, for Billy, man, we're going to take a look at CND to BTC on the daily timescale. Sorry, the lower high. Did you win? It was not what we were looking for, man. It's okay, though. Hello? Can't even hear the music, dude. Dude, it's like way too quiet. Why? I think we're okay there. Okay. Whoa. Alright. So what I want to do is just one more comparative analysis that we've done one time before, but that's it. We didn't do any more than that on this, okay? I think it's worth it for if there's new people in here so they can kind of see what's happening, dude. Give me a sec. Let's just kind of look and see what Momo shifts look like and what can manifest out of them. Okay, so on your right is
VeChain doing things.
and on your left is Syndicator not doing things yet. Okay. Very, very similar in how things went, right? Huge downtrend, you broke out. But the difference is one was back and it's already played out, right? One broke out in mid-March and Syndicator is still developing its pattern. Much deeper in its pattern development than VeChain, I guess, right? I mean, VeChain's out, and the issue with VeChain is it just cannot find higher prices, can it? It just it's getting squeezed in between the old area that was once support. It's been used as well, the old area that was once resistance has become support, but unfortunately, right above you is an extremely important resistance, like the 200 moving average. You know, it's weird. You just got a golden cross on VeChain, you know, a few days ago, but you're unable to find any buying pressure to move this thing up. So you really do not want to fall below 127 sats, man. That's like do or die time. You better hope for some sort of a double bottom, man. That's it, dude. This is just like critical. It's gotta hold. If this one holds, nothing else is gonna really hold, dude. It's bad. So, but we're optimistic. We think that you still have not hit that golden zone yet, which is between 167 and 207 on VeChain on your right. But then you got Syndicator, same type of thing we're talking about, okay? Where you have a measured move that would put you at 734 sats if we eventually broke this buy wall, or excuse me, this sell wall, where there's an institution or institutions that believe this is a fair price to offload Syndicator at 466 sats. But every time, you know, once the price gets up there, I mean, they get all the orders filled that they can before it sells off and we make higher lows, and that signifies accumulation where more people are in on this asset than there was before. And so we run again and we hit that same sell wall, and all those sell orders are getting filled, but not all of them have been filled yet. But the psychology is eventually, if you can run up to the sell wall, at some point these last remaining sell orders will get filled, and there will be no more supply at that price, and there will only be supply at a price that is far greater than where these guys were selling. All right, and that's what your ascending triangle is, and that's how it manifested right here on VeChain. And this was a trade setup. It was beautiful. Both targets hit, and then we dumped. It was like a Disney movie, man. It was like beautiful. Well, it's loud. My bad. I knew something was up, dude. Yeah, I think that's fine there. Something. Okay, does anyone get it? Billy Man, are we cool? Let me know. Okay, so Oster is in an interesting Toaster is in an interesting situation here. All right, let me show you, dude. All right. Alright, so Oster Toaster had up sloping support, but it also has horizontal line support. You can clearly see we're holding that. We bounced off of it, ran up, made a lower high, hit the 20-day moving average, and sold off. Gross. Alright, and we're selling off some more today. All these assets, these S-coins are getting wrecked.
Is that a join?
Mitch, the Beanie Baby Whisperer. Thanks for the help.
Thanks, Greg Morgan, man, for the 1941-20. Is that a joint contributions or something? Thanks, dude. Super kangage of you. All right. Cheers. Sneaky snake. Dude, there's a sneaky snake in our chat right now. Are you kidding me, dude? Can't make this stuff up, man. So critical support that must be held. If you don't hold this, it's all over for Oster Toaster. The fact that you've already broken the upslope support is very alarming, very troubling. But you're hanging on by a thread. You're hoping for a false breakout, but dude, I just don't. Look at this low. Look at this lower low, and you've got almost inexistent negative momentum. You can almost say it doesn't even exist, right? So of course it could keep building, just as your RSI could keep selling off, but where we decide to pivot, it could yield us extreme amounts of bullish divergence on a daily time scale. So this might very well be a lower risk area for entry. But dude, I mean, normally when you have negative histogram wicks that start, they normally build. We keep selling off for a while, but then eventually we show that bullish divergence, not just this is it. Okay, we don't have an established swing low. Not really. Okay. So this is an area that is very critical and could be a low risk, high reward opportunity. Okay, I know that we fell below this, but here you go, man. This is because there's nothing left, really. You don't have much left, okay, dude. I think there's a support candle high close back from August 2018. And then, you know, there's like candle closes, 436, 389, 390. Okay, so it could just keep selling off, man. It's Oster Toaster that looked so promising. Any kind of upsloping channel you had or trend line, that's broken, right? Very, very gross. Very gross. All right, so maybe set up like an alert. If you hear the beep, you're screwed. Okay. That's for BK. Oh, nice. Fun Connect. Sweet. Nice. I mean, not really. I mean, I guess you could consider that I guess one could consider that a move. It hasn't really done anything. It made a higher low, which is really nice. Higher low than the previous low. Very good sign there. All right. Bullish divergence into bullish convergence on Fun Connect. Anyway, let's get this out. Okay, could be poised for higher prices on Syndicator at some point, but it might take a month. You ready for that? Tom is sorry, he says Kappa. Oh my god, that's the most heartfelt apology I've ever heard. Okay, Tom, we're cool now, man. 1G product, I am a 589 to the moon. You are one? How could one be an actual 589? You am become Ripple. Do they call me the Snake Charmer? Is that real? Oh, unban Adolf Hitler? Really? Who's talking in German? And literally, like, acting as Hitler? Why would I unban Hitler? No thanks, dude. You unban Hitler, dude. Or tell him to change his name. Hey, Age8 Productions, man. Thanks for the $5 super chat. The biddies, man. OMG Connect? Okay. How about you tell your friend to stop being, you know, I don't know, whatever he is, a Nazi. Okay. Sorry. Really bad, man. There you go. Confluence zone broken. I mean, of course, it's the 4 hour and we could bounce. But you're just continuing to sell off like a lot of these Bitcoin pairs. And guess what? These Bitcoin pairs, if Bitcoin keeps running up, they're gonna keep selling off. Okay. Because you need the US dollar pairs. OMG to the US dollar tether. I believe it needs to bounce it needs to go up while Bitcoin doesn't move up in order for the OMG to BTC pair to move up too, because it is to BTC. Bitcoin keeps moving up, then this is going to keep losing its value. Okay. So not good, man. Just like the XRP to BTC pair, all these Bitcoin pairs are just not doing very well on the way down. They had a great run up, but remember, all of this was leading up to April 1st. April 1st, huge dump, man. Or, you know, we did sell off a lot. We ran back up and then sold again. And this was all before Bitcoin's big move. All of it on all these assets. They led the way before Bitcoin really moved. Now, I mean, I get it, right? We had nice bullish behavior on Bitcoin already at that point. But it was Bitcoin's volatility that was lacking that caused all this. You know, is Bitcoin moving up ever so slightly? But now look at this, man. You got session lows while Bitcoin's making session highs on its 4-hour candle. I'm literally looking at it, okay? Bitcoin's at its highest price of this 4-hour candle, and so we're going to be possibly closing on a lot of strength. There's 20 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. And you're, again, exceeding prices above the heart line, but you're right at that area where we wicked earlier. So really strong price action on Bitcoin. Okay, on the 4-hour, we're nearing that overbought territory, but not quite. Very bad here. Okay, the only thing I could think of is maybe an 886. But again, man, you've retraced, I think, too deep. 886 is right here. I mean, let's mark it for the fibs to see if we get a reversal there or any kind of coinciding variables. But not too far away at this point, right? I mean, you pretty much, if one's like getting in on this, they're not stopped out yet. Not yet. Still just no monkey S, man. Monkey S on OMG. You just lost what left of your mental health? What, by watching the sneaky snake, man? Get wrecked, dude. Sorry. 5,500 tonight. I mean, if we break this 5430 area, we might. And in my case, everything is bad. No 10-year daydream. You might be daydreaming, man. That doesn't even make sense. Who cares if I hold XRP? I also hold a blend of cryptocurrencies. You mad? Yeah, Herbert, man. Yeah, dude. Thanks for the 328 people tuned in between, well, just YouTube. Holy crap, man. As Bitcoin is at session highs, we're up $40 on the day, 54.27. We got as high yesterday as 54.41. That is the highest high we've seen since November of 2018 when we were plummeting. All right, there's just not much resistance looking left besides 5,500. A couple scrubby candle closes that are just, that's not much resistance. Okay, the real resistance is at 5,800. We know that, but we've been stalling here a lot, I believe, just because we've been hitting golden retraces. Okay, you must consolidate. You hit 91 on the RSI, look what happens. You go through, I don't know, like 2+ weeks of consolidation. Yeah, it's gonna happen, dude. What's up, Charles Anderson? Mr. Anarchist, welcome. What's up, Dan Crowell? Emile Pierres is high on drugs. Congratulations. Sorry, just trying to read some of this chat. Some of it's killing me. All right, just a little bit. No, I've not checked out unstoppable domains. I just got verified on BAT. Okay, just be proud of me for that. Okay. Pharaoh Man's, well, wise words. It's going up then down. Yes. Wait, why is he getting timed out, dude? Wait, what is happening, dude? Bradford, what's happening, dude? God, man. What's up, XRP Frog? John Doe. What's up, God Gamer? Yes, Sasha Law. I do. Believe it or not, I learned how to chart not in this market. What? Dude. Encrypted broker, 6K is coming, man. Well, there's always the probability of it happening. If it doesn't happen now, it's not happening for a long time. I mean, if it doesn't happen like within the next like few weeks, it's not happening for a long time. Okay, so yeah, I hear you on that. But again, just as it could do that, it very well could crap out and sell off. But the stronger we stay, I mean, like, remember the trend right now is bullish. Okay, we know the trend has been bullish since 33.43 on Bitcoin. It's been bullish, dude. Okay, guarantee you we could plot some sort of channel. All right, uptrending. So the trend is your friend. Guess what worked out? The bullish cipher. Reliable, played out, all three targets hit now, right? But now we're looking at a bearish bat pattern, a bearish pattern in a trend, a current trend that is upsloping. It is bullish, right? So you'd be potentially counter trend trading on the, so right here. So maybe this, since it did play out, it did hit the first target, right? It hit the first target. It almost hit the second target. We were one fib node away from it. And then it bounced, then bull pull, bull flag, and then that was it, dude. That was it. Maybe this was Jeopardy night. What's going on, man? This looks like downsloping consolidation, getting ready for a bull pull. It's a bull pull, bull flag combination. And yeah, sure enough, it was. Famous last words, or famous first words or something. Okay. So though this played out, it only hit one target. One target, that's it. And I think it was like $3 or $4 off the entry before selling off and then running again. So again, bullish pattern ushered it in, right? This is what all ushered in everything, the Gartley. And so it will be, that's just something to think about, right? If we are bullish, the bat might not be as reliable because it is a counter trend trade for now until things change. And guess what's happening right now? If we close this 4 hour, okay, this is a big deal. I think so. And I know the daily already did it. So people could say it doesn't even matter. But big deal to me is the fact that if this closes where we are now, we got 13 minutes left. We close now. We will be making the highest candle high close. We will be exceeding a candle high close from April 10th. Very good sign. You're also trying or attempting to exceed the heart line that has been a nice resistance, support, resistance, and now you're trying to break it. But you must break this area, and you must hold above it. Okay. But again, that's that profit-taking level for the cipher, okay, the cipher trade. And this is where people could, if they wanted to, enter a short, and it would be short term, right? I mean, it could completely not play out and not work out, okay? Because nothing's certain on this market. Or it could do it whenever, crap around, and then sell off and hit the first target and then be gone, right? But everything's okay on this. Bitcoin, everything's fine on Bitcoin until you break below 51.44. I think this upsloping support is extremely important. Okay, you break that, you could back test it, just like what Bitcoin did when it broke out of its downsloping structure. Remember, it broke out all this and it back tested double bottoms with on the bullish divergence, right? Look, you confirmed to the market that this structure was truly broken out of and we would not stay in it with this double bottom right here. Same thing could happen. But for now, we're making higher highs in an upsloping channel, which leads you to believe if we can get above this area and hold above it long enough, we could very well run to those next targets. What's the daily look like on the RSI now? We see, yeah, we're already starting to get to that. We're already overbought again, dude. Already at like 73. So, hey, remember the hypothetical we've been looking for to see these prices at 5,800? We said in time, We could run up to these areas, and eventually we'd like to see really, really nice bullish divergence. But right now, we're making higher highs than the previous highs with negative momentum, which is not proper. That's worse than divergence. And here we go, 54.36, very close to breaking earlier today a wick of 54.41. We're very, very close right now. Okay, let's go back. And this is the day of the Golden Cross we're living it. And we got 20 more hours or so of this fantastic Golden Cross day. All right. Yes, beginning to exceed the 886. Very important here. All right. It must be broken, and it must be broken convincingly. All right. Oh, crap.
Fireworks for Cygro.
Hey,
Who's
Billy, man,
here? Thanks for the C&D look.
Oh, my bad, dude. Sorry, interrupted. Thanks for the $3.33 repeating, of course. Tron Connect in the jar. Partytron. Monkey S. Here we go. 54.36. 54.38, man. We are just a few dollars away from the highest, highest price we saw. I mean, of course, April 10th, 54.87. That's the highest wick we've seen. But we're about to get a candle close for the first time. The highest candle high close since, again. Here it is, November 19th. Destruction. So we're getting up to I think this is, one could consider this some sort of square up level 2. Okay, sweet. Excuse me. All right, so just hanging out. It's funny, Alex's stream today, he's like, normally, if it's doing well when I'm live now, I almost always see a follow-up where the price action performs well later. Well, Alex, man, you might be getting it if you're out there. I don't even know if you're here, but holy crap, man, we exceeded 6,400 subs, man. We've done it, dude. We've done it. We're still beating Bitcoin. Remember, it was a neck and neck race for months. And then we got him, man. If you are enjoying this live stream, please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks for the 375 people tuned in right now on YouTube. Okay, y'all are amazing. No screen melting. Stream chat isn't broken anymore up there. It just seems like all is right with the world. Bitcoin price is moving to the upside. After such a long time. Dude, most of y'all been through this gauntlet. The selling that was incessant, and then it crescendoed, inverse crescendoed into 50+% of our gains, or I guess the value of Bitcoin lost 50% of its value in 5 weeks. And then we downsloped with our consolidation, bearish cipher into a bullish Gartley with a double bottom with bullish divergence on both oscillators. 786, beautiful Adam and Eve. Target 1, 2, 3, dumped, and then back tested, and then we were gone again. So beautiful, man. So fantastic. All right. Hey, Bitcoin, 54.40. Let's go, dude. Almost up 1%. 52.83 right now. Really, really need to break that and hold above it. All right. This is great. Eric Coffin, what was that? Emil Perez, thanks for joining. Welcome, dude. Lee Plot, that's correct, dude. Seriously. What's up, Ben Godkin? Dang, dude, you are kin of God. Nice last name, man. Nice. It's a cool one. Okay, sweet. Yeah. What a long bear market it's been. Well, it was the longest correction we had ever seen in the crypto market. We'd never seen it that long. Okay. But that's cool, man. It's all good, dude. You got exhausted, dude. You got completely exhausted. That type of price action right there is just, it's something that's going to give in time. Okay. And the higher low, 34.33 or 33.43 will forever go down in history as the Kangs right there, dude. right? The entry of our trade setup. And from the entry of our trade setup, we are now sitting at 54.43, man. Oh my God. It's just beautiful, dude. And here we are. We have made, now we're making higher highs. Hey, Pharaoh, thanks for the sub. Welcome, dude. Yeah. So exceeding the 886 with 6 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Come on, baby. Let's get it closed. Let's get some confirmation. A little bit of it, okay? And people say confirmation on candle closes. That's one thing. But there is also confirmation on the next candle, how the next candle performs after the breakout, okay? Which I would consider breaking above the 886 like this. I wouldn't say it's a formal form of a breakout, but very big deal, man. And especially the fact that we're making higher candle high. We would, in 5 minutes, be making the highest candle high close since November 19th, 2018. Okay. Hey, Paul A., welcome, dude. Thanks, man, for joining. XRP seems calm? Yeah, XRP. Tell me about it, dude. Push through Spartans, Octoman PCs, dude. Well, we just, it's the Night King and the Undead Army, dude. We're going, man. We're going deep. Going deep on this base. What's up, Daniel Oakenshield? Where you been, man? Past few days. I'm sure you were probably enjoying your weekend. Hope you had a good Easter, Mr. Oakenshield, with all the other dwarves. All right, man. Some people think the Golden Cross will coincide with the dump thoughts. I mean, the Golden Cross is just simply a lagging indicator. All right, that is a prerequisite to any kind of long-term sustained bull run. Think about it like this: we got a Golden Cross, right? We're very high right now. We are at 54.38, where the 200-day moving average, dude, 200-day moving average at 44.77, 50-day moving average 44.84. We're extremely far away from our slower moving averages. Okay, so if we dumped anywhere up here and sold off only to backtest these moving averages, we'd be almost down $1,000 if we just ran to backtest these, which we see all the time on all different types of charts. Okay, so you would just hope that the price action remains not so volatile where we keep getting further. I mean, look, it's good getting further and further away from the 200-day moving average, but eventually what happens is in these uptrends, you'll stay above the 20-day moving average for a while, but eventually you'll fall below the 20-day and run down to the 50-day moving average to backtest it, or to test it as support. That is the equilibrium zone for our candles, between the 20 and the 50 moving average. And that just gives you a good scope of vision on how the trend is. Okay, normally when you fall out or fall below the 50 moving average, you would normally come back to it, back test it as a resistance. Then eventually your 20 would bearishly cross over your 50, and then you'd start testing that too as a resistance. But in order for a long-term established bull run to occur, you must have a golden cross happen at some point. And what's happened in the past is what people are talking about is you get this golden cross, and then, yeah, based on the big move we had, right? And then we sell off, we fall below all the moving averages, and then we go from just a golden cross straight back into a death cross like a month later, weeks later. And then we pivot to make a higher low than the previous lows, and then we run again and get back above all the moving averages, and then we get another golden cross. But that could take us months. So that's what people are talking about. Like in the past, we've been seeing golden cross into death cross into golden cross again, like a second golden cross. All right. That's what people are talking about, dude, okay? 54.31. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. You just can't seem to break it. You're trying so hard, man. You're trying so incredibly hard here. Okay. XRP, oh no. Sorry, just gonna reload chat while we wait 2 minutes for the close. What's up, Crypto Doggy? Welcome, man. Hello, Zenobi, man. All your base are belong to us. That is correct. Ooh, that should be a trivia. A Jeopardy. Hey, if y'all don't... Dang, dude, is it Jeopardy this week? It is Jeopardy this week. Crap. Gotta work on that. Thursday night, we have Jeopardy. Reigning champ, Satoshi Kanatomo. 2-time champ now. He's just killing it. If you want to try your luck against Mr. Kanatomo with TA knowledge and other things, join us. You can be a participant as long as you have a mic. Mr. Oakenshield, Easter was great. The Celtics won, and the Bruins won, and Gotwell was okay. Well, you know, I mean, dude, after watching this previous episode, I know how crazy it's about to get, man. It's about to get absolutely insane. I can't believe they're doing things that you would normally do in episode 10 of all the previous seasons. They're doing it in episode 2. That's super duper scary, man. All right? You realize that? That's what they're doing? Dang, man. Sorry. I8s. What is this, Octa, man? What you talking about? What's up, Art of GR? Yeah, I guess so, King Logan. He sure did. The Jesus man himself invented the Golden Cross. That's right, dude. Hold the line, Bitcoin. Man, we got 20 seconds, man. 20 seconds. Will we rise? Well, we're rising, but will we hold the rise for 10 seconds more? Three, two, one. No, we didn't. We closed right at it. Come on, dude. Of course. Hey, guess what? I'll tell you this, though. This candle high close is now confirmed, and it is the highest candle high close, again, that we've seen since November of 2018. Big deal. All right, Big Kang's doing things. Let's see where we can go here. All right. What'd you say? What are you talking about, Billy, man? That's right, Zenobia, man. We're doing things, man. Doing things. Thanks for the 435 tuned in on YouTube. Appreciate y'all. We're just staring at Bitcoin. Okay, 4-hour candle just closed. And pretty much, well, I know for a fact we're at the, you know, just like it was today. Earlier today, we hit the third profit-taking level for the bullish cipher. 786 entry. 382-618-886. And here we are. Here we are. But we have the bearish bat, X, A, B, C, D. This is an area where people will take an entry on a short position. But remember, if the trend is very bullish right now, for now, can't argue really that we're not bullish right now. Like the trend is not in some sort of bullish behavior. Higher highs, higher lows since literally, what was the date? I mean, come on, man. Since January 29th, we've been making higher highs, higher lows. So that is bullish. So the bearish bat may not be as reliable as it could have been in a trend like this, right? Where we had, oh, look, man, you had your cousin, the bearish cipher. What? Crazy downtrend. Bearish cipher, destroyed. Bearish cipher, destroyed. Okay. Ooh, inverse head and shoulders. Oh, man, look at that. Broadening top. Hey, Anthony, thanks for joining, dude. Rising wedge. That is correct. 1G project rising wedge. Bearish divergence. Dumped. Destroyed. All right. And there it is again. Destroyed again. All right, so things have changed a little bit since then. Yeah. Yeah. A year of selling, incessant selling, has manifested into higher prices. We finally retraced. And now we are, in fact, above the golden retrace. Wait, we're like $100 above it now. Or a little bit more than $100 above the golden retrace. That 618. The areas we projected based on the price action before it. That's right, Mr. Speedy Man. We are screwed. Dang, man. So I can't rely on Restream chat anymore. That was the only good thing I had about Restream chat. It was like I could deal with chat whenever I wanted to. And now it like moves me to down the bottom like every 10 seconds. What's up, Bonsai Yama reviewer, man? He's here, dude. We love you, man. And your bonsais. Yeah, Slim Shady, that's all we need, dude. All we need is that. We need you to continue staying sober, too, okay? What's up, Michael Ivy at 023? Yup. Yup, bro. I don't know who would want to fight. Is this like IRL fighting? I don't know. I would take Thomas Bulkowski over either of those people, okay? You know, in a physical fist fight, Bulkowski all day. All right. Put him in the gauntlet, dude. We'll pay him. That's right. We're raising funds in this stream for a Bulkowski Tyler Jinx fight, physical fist fight. It'll be at the Garden. You know what I'm talking about? All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's keep running up. 54.44. Up 1% today from the close that was just hours ago. Rejected Golden Cross, but when it retraces, will it approach again and not get rejected second attempt? Dude, there's nothing certain, okay? Nothing certain. All we can do is look at history and know that we were range bound for like 8 months, and that's what we had, one big rally to the upside to hit an overhead resistance. I guess we can just go back. Screw this, man. Let's just go back to history, since I know people want to see the price action, though, dude. So it's like, let me see if I can split screen this again. All right, maybe we'll go this way. Huh. Hey, Wayne Robin, thanks for joining, man. Thanks, dude. Kangs. All right, so this is up here. This is real-time price, okay? So you don't freak out. Let me try to get rid of this. Okay, there. That looks a little cleaner. 54.49 right now. Currently just on the daily and 4 hour, starting to get a little overbought right now. And here we go. We're going 54.58. And as we look back in history, while Bitcoin pumps on the top side, that top chart. Oh, ascending triangle. This was it back here, baby. All right, that's what I'm talking about. We were range bound for 8+ months. Okay, we finally sold off this last time. Huge all-time highs on volume, I think, at the time. We're running to the upside. Look at this big spike. We used the area that was once a support. We used it as resistance, sold off. And this is it. We rallied to the upside, hit the red resistance, and sold off again. Hit this bottom, sideways, ran up again, false breakout. And that is what did it. This false breakout of the range we were in back in 2015, that is what caused the Golden Cross, July 15th, 2015. Okay, lower high, sold off, hit this bottom area once more. And then that was all it, dude. That was all it from there. Okay, so Golden Cross into Death Cross, right back into a Golden Cross, the fake out. And then that is when we broke it. We had a huge move, sold off tremendously, back tested the area that was once a critical resistance as a support. And then we became kings by making the ascending triangle, the bullish continuation pattern, and it was over. And since that time, we went from $300-something to $19,900. Okay, the story of the Golden Cross on the bottom of your screen. The story of Bitcoin making the highest highs it's made since November of 2019 on the top side of your screen. Kings. Timothy Janika, what was your trading plan? See, what you're asking me these questions, it's not good, man. You should never be asking these questions, because if you're doing it right, you have a trading plan. Why'd you enter at 53.50? Where was your stop at 53.50? You know, with your entry being 53.50, and where were your exits? The fact that you're asking me is very concerning, and you might need to reevaluate what you're doing, because you shouldn't be asking someone on a live stream. And I understand. I'm not calling you out. I'm just saying, like, one shouldn't be asking me where they should be taking profit, getting in at 53.50. Okay, you should already have that established when you enter buy. When you enter your position. Okay. G Smith, everybody stop. Okay, dude, we're just gonna stop. Kappa. Alright, we're gonna keep going. Thanks. Anyway, let's catch up on some chat while we look at the old Golden Cross. The Golden Cross of olds on the bottom and the price action on the top. Wow. Beautiful, dude. I mean, what more do you even want? Okay, we're doing multiple things at the same time. Crazy. The Brave browser is fire. Daniel Oakenshield, yeah, I got verified as a content creator on BAT. Brave browser. So now people that kept asking me about it, there you go, man. It's a done deal. It's verified. There it is, man. 54.59, 54.58. Probes would be so proud right now. He'd be crying. You crying, dude. Probes, man. And there you go, man. This is what happens when candles close. 54.63 session highs. Exceeding the 886. We'll soon be touching. Hey, 54.87 is the 100% retrace. The fact that we broke the 886, there's nothing here, dude. Why would we not hit 54.87 now? There's pretty much no reason we wouldn't hit it. Okay, we're gonna hit it. There's no resistance looking left. We just broke the 886. When you break critical fib nodes, you run to the next one, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. Okay? Bearish pattern and the bullish trend right now, not as reliable. Okay? $4. Here it goes. 100% retrace has been touched and exceeded, and we're breaking to the upside even more. Let's get to the main screen here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is over. The bearish bat is no more. All right? The bullish trend continues. The upsloping channel continues, man. All right? So invalid pattern. If we have an invalid pattern, we can just do something like this. Watch. It's very simple. Kangs. All right? Kangs. Kangs. And then more Kangs. Beautiful, dude. But rising wedge, I think we're breaking the rising wedge too, right? No, we are not. So still a little bit of monkey ass. I can't do teal. That I already chose teal. Let's just do orange gold. Okay, so you still have. Look how much we've already pulled back too since then. Two converging upsloping trend lines is still a wedge. Okay. So 100% retrace has been hit. No more bearish bat. Profit taking levels, great. It's all good, man, for the trader. But the move continues on up. Okay, we got as high so far as 55.01 for pulling back. $40 or so. Beautiful, dude. 3 hours, 48 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. We're up 1.45% right now. Oh my God, man. XRP doing nothing, dude, right? Yep, rip the bat pattern. Hey, I was all for it, and it was close, man. I was talking to someone about it. If we'd even hit 1 or 2 targets, we'd have framed it, but meh. We're happy. We're good with this. We're good with the bullish patterns and bullish trends being more reliable than bearish patterns. Way happy with that, okay? Bat got crushed. Dude, what would... Of course Bat got crushed, dude. It almost hit a 1618 from its all-time high to that lowest low after it, dude. Why would Bat not get crushed after doing that stuff? What do you think it's doing? Do you think people aren't like trading that? Like the inverse head and shoulders? Oh yeah, sober overrated, man. What's up, Drew T? No, I'm not buying XDN, your S coin. Sorry, dude. Let's all freak out. Yep, time to freak out, dude. Time to freak out. What's up, HK? Well, John Doe, how you doing, John Doe, man? All right, so we can still see some sort of upsloping resistance currently. 1 and 2. That's really it. 1 and 2. But you are respecting it. You are holding it as a resistance for now. So don't get cocky. Positive momentum's building. There is no bearish divergence. No, not right now. RSI, 4 hour, 73. So there is no divergence. So this could run up, sell off, run again. Because we're always looking for divergence, aren't we? Before the sell-offs. Daily. You're about to start working on it, I think. Because you're probably getting closer and closer to neutral. on that histogram, so we'll start beginning to build positive momentum. And then the theory that we were looking at for 5,800, remember the theory was this, where we would eventually start making positive momentum on higher prices, and at the top here, near that 5,800 area, we would eventually start rounding out on the histogram, making lower levels, and be getting crazy bearish divergence at critical areas of resistance. And then we could dump from there and sell off. But you can see it here, man. You can see it here. Bullish engulfing candle yesterday, and nice green today. Highest candle high close yesterday, big deal. And now today, moving higher. Currently sitting at 73 on both the daily and the 4-hour RSI. Okay, and again, just a reiteration, the golden cross has occurred for the first time since 2015. All right, beautiful, baby, beautiful. Upsloping consolidation, gross. So there you have it, man. There you have it. Waking up, upsloping resistance, it seems like, and horizontal line resistance. The April 10th wick. All right, but it may not be over. Okay. Use the force, Bitcoin. Yes, please. Use the force, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Yeah, bears are not in control in this trend right now. They have not been in control really since, again, the date. Was it late January, early February is when it all shifted. Everything turned around, and the bulls started taking control of this market again. At least up until this point. Hard to argue with that. Remember when they said Bitcoin is dead? Yeah, I stream every day. People, some person in here will talk about that, of course. Dude, you remember like oh my god, man, our viewer count, like right before we called that Gartley, dude, the viewer count had dropped. Like no one cared about crypto. People were saying, oh, we're going back down to 3,000 like tomorrow. We're going to, this guy's saying we're going to 2,000. We're going to 1,500 now. Blah, 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 blah. It's like, dude, good for them, man. Like, good for them. Like, everyone's so negative when that Gartley was developing. Okay. So freaking amazing, man. So currently 54.76, up 1.66% so far. It's beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. Respect the TR, be destroyed. There you go, Demetrios. Why would I look at IOTA when I can look at Bitcoin, dude? Sorry, no thanks. So culture shot. Coin Collector says ICX up 15%. Boom. About time, right? Guess it was up over 40% today. DGD Connect. All right. Did it really? Yeah, XRP min. Well, there you go, man. Hey, I don't care. We hit one target. Okay, we hit one target. We hit our entry perfectly, and then we hit our target the same day. What could you be mad about on XRP? Yeah, hey, you got the decoupling you asked for, XRP people, so you be careful what you wish for, because you might get it, you got it, and now you're screwed. Okay? That's right, may the composite operator, man, be with us. The one who moves the cogwheels. Or the cogs and the wheels, whatever. What's up, Paul Wall, dude? What's wrong with XRP? Stablecoin Connect. Dude, it's buyers and sellers. It's emotionalism. There's no one that cares enough about XRP clearly to move the meter. All right? The XRP token. What's up, HG, man? ASL HG now. Okay. And I mean, Bitcoin volume, come on, dude. Like, we know the majority of Bitcoin volume is traded OTC, not on exchanges. So this is really, not really that big of a deal. The variable, we would not weigh it as heavily or as highly as we would on the New York Stock Exchange, or maybe, I mean, really, you don't use volume too much on Forex either, but this market, after learning all the stuff we have about it, right, it's really not the biggest weighter or biggest weigher of variables. Okay, so absurd, Gordon Gecko, man. Cordesk, you're not worried about it? Good, man. You shouldn't be worried about it. Okay. Well, yeah, Ethereum's busted out. I mean, it's like, well, Ethereum is a larger market cap than Ripple still, right? Oh, Eric Sanchez, best of luck in your life. Okay, man, might be a sad one. Okay. Oh, it's not really joining in the rally. Welcome to Bitcoin, man. I freaking love Bitcoin because of its reliability. It just respects the TA so much, man. Bitcoin, more than I feel like others. But I mean, disrespecting the TA is good too when you're in a bull run. It would make sense. It's like, okay, you're trying to trade in bullish conditions, a short. It's not as reliable, right? So, and the thing is, we don't know, man, because the rising wedge is there too. So it could just be staying a little bit irrational longer than we can stay solvent, and then dumps a little bit slightly higher prices. Because two of sloping converging trend lines is not bullish. No. Michael Kelly, thanks for the $2 super chat. Can either lead, follow, or get out of the way? Not sure. Hold on, what? That's like yes, no, maybe, so. Michael Kelly, right back at you. Thanks, dude. Okay. It's a way too turned. You want to see the inverted XRP chart? Dude, I don't really want to look at anything but Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin clearly performing better than the others right now. Thanks again, Gordon Gecko, man. Okay. What's up, Richmond? BTC is disrespectful. Not really, dude. I mean, like, again, it's like you can show, like, all right, BNB, for instance, okay? BNB was showing bearish divergence on daily time scales. It was showing rising wedges. It was showing all these things, but sorry, too much demand. The trend was bullish. It was upsloping continuously. So, like, you got to get out of the way. It's hard. Look, once something becomes bullish, once the trend becomes, like, bullish, it's really hard calling the top. Really, really hard. So, like, if there's something that looks like, hey, we could be setting up for a big sell-off, just make sure you know the trend you're in. All right? Because, like, think about it like this. You know, Bitcoin way back here. We were so, like, bearish, right? Just lower highs, lower lows, double top, bearish divergence on the daily. The ciphers were playing out beautifully. The rising wedges were playing out beautifully. Okay, the bear pull bear flags. How many reliable bear pull bear flags were there in this market? It was unbelievable, dude. It was just a constant, incessant reliability on bearish patterns. And then eventually, when you started hitting the bottom, you started getting, you know, a couple bullish patterns, right? There was like the crazy falling wedge here. Yeah, crazy falling wedge here. The double top. And I don't know if there was another falling wedge right here. Beautiful falling wedge. After all this bearish stuff happened, we started showing divergence on the daily, ran to the upside. Okay. But the trend was clearly impulse down, upsloping consolidation. Sold off again. All right.
Is that a joint?
We Buddha make all kinds of gains. Hey, take a peek at the weekly stochastic RSI. It's pretty interesting.
Stochastic RSI. Thanks for the 420 Art of JR, man. Weekly. Well, look at the weekly first off. 50-week moving average. We're literally touching it. Touching it like Jesus, man. You see that? Crazy. All right. Big deal. Excuse me. Stochastic RSI just sitting in extreme area, not 100 on the stochastic RSI, right? Last time we saw areas like this, December 2017. Really weird. Yeah, you're right. Interesting, right? Interesting how it's just staying there. Okay, but history is telling us, I don't know, man, right? If the trend's bullish, right, you hit it, this 100 area, you sell off. You hit it, you sell off, but then the trend is bullish, so you just kept running up. You just kept resetting it on your sells. So, yeah, man, weird how, since March, early March, going on like 2 months now, we've just been sitting at 100 and been going nowhere. Normally, we've never done that. Every time we like double top, okay. Right, you get the pump, the sell off, the rally, the higher high with lower levels of positive momentum you saw off again. But yeah, very interesting, very weird on the SRSI. All right, so cool, man. Thanks again for the 420, dude. All right. I think the craziness is 90-20 for the, or the 80-20 for the stochastic. Where is it, man? Oh, sorry. Cool, dude. Thanks, man. And here we are. Bitcoin 55.41. We're running, dude. We got a runner on our hands. We're going, dude. We're going. We broke it. Session highs 55.61. We broke the upsloping resistance. Great. There is no resistance. You understand, chat? Anyone here? You understand there's a candle high close, November 16th, okay? Couple candle high closes. So these could be acting as some sort, they are acting as some sort of resistance right now. Mid-November. And then look left, even further. I don't think there's anything anymore, right? Yeah, decent amount. Okay, so really not, there's no real resistance that we're holding. Any kind of resistance was broken already, so this is not that big a deal. Okay. Sorry, trying to get back. All right, so really trying here. Okay. Here it is, man. The top of this channel. If we were running tonight, 57.41. If we can make it. All right, we are overbought on the 4 hour, and I know on the daily. We're at 80 currently. The highest high we saw on the 4 hour on the first, second of April was 94. So we got some room to rival. Okay, got 14 more points before we get to the extremely insane levels. Okay. So there you go, man. Invalidated bat pattern. Trend is your friend. 5,600 plus, up 4% right now. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's freaking go, dude. Bearish patterns just aren't as good when the trend is bullish. The trend is your friend, okay? The undertow could have destroyed you. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 5,800 would seem quite likely. It would seem likely, yes, for a sell-off. Okay, because just the channel is being so well respected. All right, and so you could hit this and just upslope until you hit it. But eventually, man, 5806. It's the big area. June 2018. Remember this double bottom? Insanity. Just holding on some scrub peasant resistance right now, okay? Beautiful, dude. Let's fib, though. Let's fib for real. Let's get some targets, some shorter term targets, all right? From our previous swing high to swing low. 1272, that's what we're hitting as a resistance right now. All right, that is why we ran and we hit it, and now we're pulling back a little bit. 5640 fib extension. All right, 1414 is at 5723. That could be the next target if we did break the 1272, but wow, a lot of respect right there. Okay, nice targets too. Everyone's jumping in. Oh my god, please. Wow, crazy, dude. Hey, you had the opportunity at 3343. Remember that, chat? If you're enjoying this Bitcoin pump, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank y'all for being here. What is it? Been live for an hour and 30 minutes now. Okay, big pullback from that 5,600 plus area, but still got some stuff going on. All right, man. Still doing well. And I'm sure it is XRP Mint. I'm sure it is, dude. Well, Timothy Janika, sorry. It's just, look, dude, there's nothing certain in these markets, okay? And, hey, man, it's not about being right. It's about when you are right, how much you can get paid for being right, okay?
Oh, it feels so good!
Appreciate the TA. Trying to absorb all the knowledge. Kapow.
Kapow! Thanks, AF Visions, man, for the 690. It feels so good contribution. The Verge Connect in the jar. Oh, Verge. Ugh, gross. DeWald, man, would you miss Bitcoin pumped and hit the 1272 5640, man? And we're still up there. We're still doing okay. You didn't miss too much since we're up there, right? Oh my god, dude, it's so hard to read chat because of the YouTube chat box. JP Morgan coin is mooning, man. Hilarious, dude. Please laugh or something. Ethereum, like it wants to go. Well, yeah, of course, man. Bitcoin correlation. The US dollar pairs, of course. Hey, Gordeski, you did. You actually super chatted it early in the stream. You said, what was your super chat? Okay, and let's see the time frame too. Okay, so yeah, 1 hour ago, Gordeski said in a $2 super chat, how epic would it be if we catch a move to 5,800 now? Well, we didn't get 5,800, man, but we're sure as heck working on it, aren't we? Very cool, Gordeski, man. Gangs. God, who cares about Digibyte, Marat? You kidding me, dude? You care about Digibyte Connect when we're looking at Bitcoin pump up 5% roughly? What's up, Emery Reese? Julian Soto. Yeah, that's definitely the ceiling, the real one anyway. But clearly you got some respect going on with the fib extensions. Ready for finger, that's not the way to do it. They won't be laughing tomorrow to Peter V, man. Hey, man, whatever, dude. Your friends laughed at you. They don't really sound like much of a friend to me, man. Okay. Morgan Free again. What's up, dude? Always good seeing you. Hello, Mr. Sid Vicious. You expect to sell at 5,700? You were so close, man. You were $50 off. 5723 is the 1414 fib extension. Okay. Major hashtag vlog. Thanks for the $2 super chat, dude. Kangs. Hey, this all started with the sneaky snake, man. Remember, it was the sneaky snake. Yep. Hey, BTC pairs are going to get wrecked when this price action occurs. Okay, volatility. We talk about almost every day. What is the kryptonite of BTC pairs? Bitcoin volatility. Okay. No, I wouldn't say that day traders have a tough time with XRP. I mean, maybe they do. I don't know. Swing trading. We've had some legendary trades on XRP, dude. Some legendary ones. But this was, you know, we recently had a good one, but it only hit one target, and that was it. And that's why we take profit. We layer out. Especially something like XRP. Okay. Whoa. 777? What about it, dude? No, the price? No, I don't think so. Not tonight. Dang, dude. Konami is releasing Castlevania Anniversary Edition. So nostalgic. That's crazy, dude. Wow. MVT signal mooning. King Logan, do you got that, man? You gonna send me what it looks like? Because we were at that critical resistance before this move here, right? Wasn't Bitcoin dead? No, Bitcoin was not dead. Only to peasants. I didn't know Northern Illinois University, the Wolfpack. Was it the Wolfpack? Or the Huskies? Didn't know the Huskies, the MAC, had a crypto, okay. And thanks for the 575 people tuned in right now. If you're enjoying this coverage of Bitcoin hitting the 1272 and validating the bearish bat, please hit that like button, that blow us up. Holy crap, man. We're being kangs while we're live, dude. Love it, man. Most of the time when we're live, it's like big dumps, man. Big dumps for a year, man. Just terrible back-to-back 10-hour marathon streams covering this destruction, okay? And now we get to enjoy moves up, where people aren't just like depressed and screaming the world's ending, Bitcoin's dead. People can scream other things. But dang, dude, what kind of pullback did we just see? Right there. No, we are not officially in a bull run. Please, no, we're not. We're not. What's up, a crypto craze? This will be the BART range. BART range is normally like 3 falling peaks. What was it? Bitcoin Cash's turn, man? Really, dude? Okay. Thanks, Emery Reese. I appreciate that. What is it? Shills tell fib. Oh, that's a good one, man. Julian, nice one. He says shills tell fibs like fibbing, and then TAs show fibs like Fibonacci. Nice one, dude. Kind of corny, but it's still okay, man. All right. It's in that neutral territory. You love when the break happens at a reasonable hour. Yeah, dude, a lot of times it's happening at like 4 or 5 a.m. But, man, this bull run, or this run that has been bullish, you know, stemming back to late January, we've been seeing a decent amount of moves happen at night, or when Asia is just wide awake in their mid or late morning or early morning. We're seeing that. Okay. So yeah, Asian market for sure, Mike W. Yeah, Asian market's definitely been behind a lot of these moves up because of the time. What's up, Prince of Opinion? Welcome, man. You gotta see what's going on YouTube. Well, we're on YouTube, man. Here we are. Hi, Mom. I'm famous, Mom. Nice, dude. Hey, thanks for the 20 bat. Irwin Coffee, man. For using the bat browser, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you, dude. But you just don't, I don't know, like, how I'm gonna get notifications on getting that. You know, like, it's gonna be really difficult. You're gonna have to, like, tell me in, like, live chat if you did it. So I'm definitely saying 10K tonight, right? Yeah, Dank Williams, man. You know me so well. I hope you know what this means. Because if you don't, you get destroyed. Okay? One spinning kappa for you. We're definitely going to do this. Feels good, man. Feels real good, man. 55.59 right now. Okay, Pepe, happy. Okay. Altcoin's bumping now, cheap vlog. Is that true? Ooh, what is it? Ripple's moving? Oh my god. It's moving, man. Holy crap, it's moved a little bit. Oh my god, man. Well, dude, you can thank Bitcoin for that. We'll look just for a minute, because you know what we'll do? We'll just keep this thing. We'll keep this thing up, all right? On the left side. Yeah, the left side of your... Okay, yeah, we'll keep it there. So we're going to go to XRP real quick on the right side of your screen. Do not be confused. Yes. Yes, indeed. What you must have done, you're doing. At least a little bit, right? Just a little bit. So remember, this was the bullish cipher pattern on XRP. We hit our entry. Our limit buys filled. We ran up, hit the 382, easy. But then we hit the 50%, the downslope resistance, and sold off. And we said, this is it. You must pivot here, or you are screwed. Okay? And we did pivot here, but we must run now. We've got a long way we must run for a valid pattern. Mike W., thanks for joining. I didn't know you just joined. I don't know, we got a lot of Mike friends. Okay. It's my father's name, too. Michael means of God, and Mitch is a deviation of Michael. Whatever, dude. Mitchell. Oh, yeah. So, RL Investments, LLC. Welcome, dude. How do you top with BAT, Ryan Neal? How do you tip with BAT? The Brave browser, man. I don't know. Like, y'all know better than me. People just been asking me to be doing it for months, and I finally did it. So, people in chat will know way better than me on how to do that, okay? Well, there you go. Herbert, man, you should start your own firm, dude. Okay. Oh, yeah. Freudian slip. Kangage. It did move just a little bit, all right? Just a little bit. I know it seems like a lot, but harmonics are real. They're some of the most reliable patterns that exist, okay? When you can learn and master Fibonacci, you can then begin to learn how to master harmonics, okay? But then make sure you master other variables too, so then you can use coinciding variables with your harmonics to give you an even better, better chance of being accurate on your trades. And here we are, right back, 55.29. Okay, we hit this area, which is some sort of peasant resistance being used as support now, kind of. 55.35. Oh my God. At one time, we were up 5%. 56.49. We're $100 off the highest high of the session. 4-hour session. Holy crap. I don't know, man. Who cares what my IQ is, dude? S&P 500 love. Hey, you gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. But it's definitely seems like it's in some sort of like crazy rising wedge. Okay. But again, it's like nearing all-time highs. We get it. Don't ruin the Bitcoin spike with the XRP chart. Man, XRP people getting wrecked right now in terms of just the memes.
Hey Mitch, can we look at XRP to BTC as well?
Oh.
Are we close to any horizontal support or patterns?
Dude, not really. I don't think so, man. We gave up on that one, dude, because it broke critical supports. Hey, Clark Davidson, thanks for joining, man. Welcome. Yeah, dude, that one, terrible. Just, well, I guess down sloping support. This is really bad, dude. Okay. I'm just going to make it brief, Mr. Kenatomo. Thanks again for the 3-2-1. But real quick, not to bust the butt of the party, the Bitcoin party, and we're already kind of, you know, messing with this vibe with this up. But I got to look at it for 2 seconds, okay? 2 seconds, man. All right. A busted pattern on XRP to BTC. Look what happened, man. All right. The support you had, the measured move of the rising wedge, you hit it, you held for a little bit, and then you sold off. You're below this scrub support back from October of 2018, and there is no horizontal line support. No, there's none. Not really, no. So again, once we broke this area, the area we said that had to be held or it's over, we said if we broke this, there's a good chance we'll be seeing you at 54.92. We've now gotten as low as 57.30 or something, okay? Terrible. Just miserable. XRP to BTC. No horizontal line support. Maybe you look for some relief at, again, 54.92. That's the 786 retrace from your previous high, or low to high. All right. See you down here. 786 retrace. All right? Okay, man. Sorry, dude, but we can't. That's just messing with our vibe, our funk, man, on this stream. Mr. Can of Tomatoes. All right. Thanks, dude. So, Mr. Sean. Hey, Dave and Bella Toy Adventures. Heck yeah. How y'all doing? Hey, why did y'all not apply yet for the verified check mark? You can do that now. You should get that. If you have like that many subs, you should definitely do that. It's pretty cool. Nice, Dane. Your name is middle name's Michael. Awesome, dude. You use Brave? Heck yeah, man. I don't use it yet because I just signed up for it, but I'll work on maybe transitioning. I got to make sure, because like, you know, with the Microsoft, their version, whatever it's called, the, I don't know, Edge, it's terrible. Like on TradingView, I noticed it's so smooth here, but you go to that other browser and it's so choppy trying to scale in and out of your prices. So you have to like make sure they work right. And I couldn't get night mode on BAT before when I tried it like months ago, but now they've implemented that. So that's cool, man. Hey, aloha from Hawaii. Crypto 808 to say Hawaii correctly. All right, let's get rid of this split screen. I don't know, man. Like whatever. Where's my music, dude? Video paused? Continue watching? Of course. Why would it ask me that? I'm moving my mouse around. I'm not idle. Thanks for the 612 people tuned in right now as we watch Bitcoin on the left side of your screen and XRP to the right side of your screen, pivoting at an 88.6% retrace from X to A. From A to B, 88%. You must hold. And you're starting to hold. But again, with all this is the best you can ask for XRP. This move here, that's all you got. That's real bad, man. That's real bad. That's pathetic. Okay. That's real bad. Okay. You just be grateful you hit your first target. You should have taken profit if you didn't. Okay. You're not stopped out yet, right? Your stop loss was down here. You can now move. One could move their stop loss up to the entry just in case it hits the entry again. You get stopped out. You take literally 0 losses with the gains you made at the 382, right? And then after that Screw it, dude. Okay. Bitcoin's pulled back tremendously since hitting that 1272 fib extension 5640. All right. What is? Dang, dude, I can't even. Hold on. Where did it go, man? Mid-tray on YouTube not verified yet? What? Dude, I like literally set it up. I saw it, man. Do I have to do something else besides getting it set up? Hold on. Dude. No. No. No more of that. Okay. I just want to play that song again. Give me a sec. Where is it? I got it. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Just give me a second, all right? I've been live for like an hour and 40-something minutes. Maybe 2 hours or something. Okay. All right, we're just playing this again. Easy, simple. Sounds good. Okay. Oh, what the... Hey, Grayson. Welcome. Sneaky snake. Oh my god, man. Sneaky snake. Alright, so everything is calming down, right? The amount of euphoria we had, good god, dude, you could feel it. People just literally exploded, and now here we are, selling off. Again, anytime you're in some sort of structure and you've made a major high and you made a major low and you're running again and you exceed the previous high, you fib from your high, anchor point 1 and 2. From the high point to low point will give you your targets above you, since there's none to really go by in the short term, okay? That's how you do it, high to low. 1272, 1414, and then the 1618 retrace the golden mean ratio, also known as phi or phi for sorority girls, okay? And here we are falling all the way back down to 5510, when at one time we were above 5640. Big major pullback. And that's what happens when you look at XRP in a Bitcoin run. Thanks a lot, Mr. Kantomo. It's your fault, dude. Eric Sanchez, man. Thanks for the $5 super chat, man. It says great commentary. Well, great contribution, man. Appreciate that, dude. Much love. Hopefully you like the music, too, okay? I know it was weird a minute ago. It's better now. Okay. This is too much, Arthur JR. Too much, man. Good lord, man. Freaking out. That's such a pullback, dude. Such a major pullback. You're now back inside the area that was once the upsloping resistance. You're in it, man. What is it? Richmond for the win? Sure did. No, I did not use pitchforks, but I used the equidistant channel Dratagus, so kind of the same thing. We manipulated, well, Larley was the one that I think figured it out, him and someone else maybe, but we manipulate the fib channel to make it into like a pitchfork, but it's a much easier way of using it, okay? What a pullback. Good lord. Ed says the highest market cap since November 13th of 2018. Interesting stat, but it's a big... I wonder how much market cap just got lost right there on that pullback. But this thing could go up, down, about 3 hours left on a 4-hour candle, man. Just everyone calm down. It's gonna be okay. Opinion on TRX? It had been getting destroyed. It was really getting destroyed, and Justin's son picks his boogers in the hotel rooms. Has he gone live on Periscope anytime soon? Sonny Singh, thanks for joining. Welcome, man. Sing for us. Thank you. What about XP versus BTC? What about Paul, man? XP, Windows XP, or experience points? What are you talking about, dude? Congratulations, Sonny, man. Big money right there, right? That wasn't you? That wasn't you, dude? Who would that have been, dude? That's so weird. Someone was you in the contribution. I think they were scared. They didn't want to be themselves because they knew it'd be such a damper on the party looking at XRP while Bitcoin moons. Okay. XRP is the meme coin of the month. Yeah, it really is, dude. It's kind of sad, you know. It's now in the books with XVG and Tron and BCN. Ripple is now in the meme of the month category. What a joke, dude. Well, hey, dude, and guess what? FOMO Chasers was very accurate too. King Logan is the meme of the month currently. Hey, a major hashtag vlog. Thanks for the $10 super chat, dude. Dang it, man. It was $9.99. You know, there's a variation for the jar. If you tip $10 on the super chat, no one's done it yet. It would be like the 1,000 bits in Twitch. Dang, man. I hate that about super chat. It makes you do the 99-cent crap. Maybe I should just make the variations 99 cents instead of 10, since it's like that. Just ride the wave, dude. Dude, are you kidding me? We found where the wave started, dude. 33.43. Okay. Political scientist. That's quite an image. Is that true? I don't think any teenage girl in a trailer park knows what XRP even is. Okay. None. I'd like to see literally one account of it. Okay. Hi, you're a 16-year-old child. And you live in a trailer park. Tell me what you know about Ripple or XRP. What? What's Ripple? That's what you'd get everywhere around the world. Okay. So that's not true, dude. Don't spread false FUD like that, okay, dude? No one really cares about XRP to BTC anymore, man. Since we fell below critical supports, it was over, dude. Okay. Be brave or go grave. Nice. It did, man. It ruined it. Ed McCracken, thanks for the $5 super chat, dude. It really did, man. When we split screen for Canatoma, man, which it wasn't even Canatoma, it was someone else. We pulled back from that 1272 like real quick. I'm sorry, Bitcoin. We didn't mean to take away from the party. Okay, the Bitcoin party. Brave will move all your history, bookmarks, cookies, extensions automatically for you. That's awesome, dude. Man, if it can move over the extensions I have, man, that would make it really easy, and I would do it probably. I'll just mess with it. That's right, RG, man. I know you're killing it, man, dude. Thanks again, RG, for that contribution earlier, dude. We had a patron who made $16,000 off of DGD, man. A trade setup, like what? It was up 41% today. Major hashtag vlog, man. $2 super chat, man. Holy crap, dude. One thing I do love, well, I guess it's like we kind of have like one jar. We still have someone tips in cryptocurrency. It'll fall in the other jar, but we kind of have like uniformity with the bits and the emoji balls. So we're good. What's up, me? Exclamation mark says Grateful Dead in charts. Yeah. Heck yeah, man. What's better than that, man? Not much. Okay, so Ed McCraven says here is okay, yeah, no more XRP talk, and then again, major hashtag blog said, yo, this is going to the moon. Sorry I didn't read that. And then he said, now Litecoin is gonna moon too. Dang it, dude, I used to have that Hodge Twins clip. Bitcoin going to the moon. Echoes. I'll try to get it. Because all we have right now is
Price gonna dip.
that's all we have. Oh, and also VeChain doing things, but you get it. HG just got wrecked. Psych! Excellent, dude. Thanks for the psych out. Okay, Bitcoin 55.13, getting right back up, trying to attempt to run again. 3 hours left on this 4-hour candle. As we've exceeded the 100% retrace. We have only the extensions above us as resistance, and as you can clearly see, we respected the living F out of 1. Okay. high to low. There it is. 3 of them. Violent move coming. You're a little late, dude. What's up, Convict Elias? Welcome. Derby Hat says BitConnect is greater than XRP. Wow, dude. This is not... If you're an XRP fan in here, dude, this is not your live chat tonight. Holy crap. Andy, whoa, holy crap, man. Are you kidding me? I'll wait for it to do its thing. My God, man. It lags. That's what I don't like that about Super Chat. It lags. So you'll get this before the notification will go off. Really? Did it break, man? We'll just play Jesus Champs for you anyway, dude. Thank you so much, Vic and Knight, for the $50 Super Chat, dude. I guess I messed up on the variation because it's not showing up. Wow. Thank you again, Vicky Knight, for the $50. Unreal. Beautiful, baby, beautiful. We go again, Crypto Craze Man. Yeah, we're XRPs in the long term. Brooklyners!
As a newbie, being on your channel for both of the most exciting nights in BTC history makes our future in crypto a whole other ride. Experiencing a ride up twice is wow, thanks for the excitement.
Brooklyners, man, I think it's $3.33, but dude, the history of Bitcoin extends for way further than my streaming tenure, okay? And there have been far greater and more insane days than today, and the day we broke the wall, the sell wall, right? Those were fun, a lot of fun, because we've been working our butts off and we've been streaming throughout the entire bear market, or the correction market, whatever you call it. And believe me, man, I've never streamed through anything like the Great FOMO, okay? And I know a lot of people have, including Alex. So it's just like, I couldn't imagine if, like, these nights, what was happening on those nights, dude? How insane was that, okay? That's when people were like, look at my Tron Connect affiliate website, dude. Am I taking requests or just looking at BTC? Just looking at it, dude. That's what we're just doing.
Oh, would you look at that?
I mean, I don't know, dude. It's like kind of like big things happen on Bitcoin. You don't really want to get too far away from it. We've been looking at S coins all week, you know, every day pretty much. We kind of like, Bitcoin moves up, we like kind of sticking around in a lot of engagement while we watch the price action. As we get right back below, man, the upsloping resistance. Jeez. Can't catch a break. All right. Sorry, goodness. Just pulling back, man, but still extremely strong. Very good. Still very good. Dang, Big Night, I'm really sorry about that. I don't know, man. It didn't even, a notification didn't even come up, man. I don't know. I started messing with those things today, so I'll get it fixed. But that, hey, Vic Knight, that is the single largest super chat I've ever received since I started taking super chats or whatever. You're number one, dude. Big Night, you were the top Jesus of super chat. Welcome to it. Take the throne. Sorry, it's really tough managing chat. Okay. Steve Flood. That sounds terrible, dude. B-Chain and Cardano Moon. Is that true, Max? I don't think they're doing that, right? Oh my God. Prince of Opinion says, it's my guilty pleasure to watch $10,000 XRP price prediction videos, man. Hey, dude, I'm surprised you can even find any. I wouldn't think any self-respecting content creator would leave up those stupid asinine videos. Prince of Opinion, right? I'll say price prediction because it's like I'm literally, in a way, predicting what our prices could be in the short term for a trade setup or something, right? So it's like taking clickbait and making it actually real, right? Where it's not clickbait. It's just like, it's actually, he was right. He was literally doing a price prediction in a way of talking about targets for Fibonacci or measure moves, right? So So swing trader, dude. Sorry, man. There's a lot to manage right now. Everything's freaking out. Everyone's going crazy. It's like, Hey, remember, by the way, if you want to keep the conversation going when this live stream ends, you want to get in contact with me or anyone in this community, this very qualitative community, join our Discord, okay? Because that's like where you can get in contact with us, with anyone. And, you know, very tight knit. We do memes of the month, right? If you have questions about technical analysis, it's a wonderful community that fosters that kind of stuff. Big night, man. Thanks for the $2 super chat. That's 52, man. $52 super chat, man. Thanks, dude. What? It just finally came in now, dude? Why was it so late and delayed? Thanks, Vicky Knight, man, for the $50 super chat, dude. Much love. All right. Much freaking love. There it is. It's beautiful, isn't it? Vicky Knight, man. Just sitting in there being like a snake. A sneaky snake.
Looks like I'm about to get liquidated on my first BitMEX short at $5,700. Smiley face.
Liquidation at 5,700. What about stop losses are good before liquidation, right? So we were talking about stop losses on a bearish bat was slightly above 5,500. Okay, stop out should have happened. Shouldn't even have been freaking out about this up here. Okay, and that's the KC Stubb stop out too. On an 886 entry, one takes their short, and then the stop's just slightly above the C of the, or it really would have been X on the bat. So I don't. Did you have the? I mean, thank you, dude, for the. What was it? Hold on. There's so much going on right now. Ryan Arstad, thanks for the. It's the 1062. Okay, that's what it is. All right. Thank you, dude. Much love. I think that is the. That's 200 Mexican dollars. I think, right? That's some crazy. Thank you, dude. Oh my god, man. 200 Mexican dollars, man. We gotta be kings. Coin collector, are you super triggered, dude? Ed McCracken has not $200. 200 US dollars, okay. Go over the Moonboy helmet, dude. If the jar fills up, yeah. Well, I'll obviously wear one of the hats and y'all get to vote with straw poll, but that's it, right? Dude, it's tough, man. A lot of chat. All right. BTC's bumping, whatever. Are you sure? On Binance, are you sure, man? Okay. So, yeah, man. We haven't really looked at this, have we? Wow. You know, you get away. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's adjust now. So, it ended up acting pretty much the same, right? Make your adjustments is perfect, right? Oops. It's like perfect though, man. It like lines up beautifully, dude. Okay. You've broken above the heart line. Look, support. Not much resistance here. On the Coinbase chart, we showed tons of resistance. So again, the major upsloping resistance is going to put you at like 5,800. Okay, 5,800, you're overbought. On the Tether chart, 75 in the RSI, up 2.5%. Okay, so upsloping consolidation. Right. Beautiful, man. 3 hours left on your 4 hour candle. No, yeah, 3 hours still. Okay. Are we good? Good on decibel levels, audio, music, all good. You can hear it. Let me know. Prince of Opinion coming in. He's savage, man. He's savage. He says, better use these super chats to buy some quality crypto like XRP or Bitcoin Cash SV. Dang, dude. The fact that you put XRP and Bitcoin Cash SV into the same sentence, that's rough, because at least Garlinghouse isn't being a ridiculous fool, right? He's not being, like, super arrogant up his own butt. At least he's kind of a humble CEO of a centralized... What? Well, we don't know. It's nebulous. Okay. It could be centralized. It could not be. Whatever. Veganite, no one has ever fallen below zero. What you talking about, dude? XRP moon helmet. Yeah, we need it, don't we? All right. And remember, if you're new here, I stream, for the most part, every day, twice a day. 6 p.m. Eastern and 11 p.m. Eastern. Okay, you're catching me in the night stream. I've been live now over 2 hours. Just go ahead and do it. It's your local on the 8s. Okay. But this is a little different situation. Okay, because we're looking at Bitcoin. We normally look at Bitcoin at the top of the hour. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Okay. So again, the top of the channel is 5,800 roughly. It could take us time to get there. It could take us hours, but just know that you're already overbought. Okay. Last time we were overbought was April 3rd, right after the big move. So just really strong, holding on. Go back to that other Coinbase chart. You know what, let's go to total again. I want to see how total was doing. We looked at it in the day. Yeah, beautiful, dude. Where did my moving average? Okay, there we go. Oh, not loading. Okay, so approaching that sell wall again if one was to look at this with traditional technical analysis. All right. Total market cap, and that includes everything, right? So we're at a $175 billion market cap. You know, most peasant streamers are just going to look at the coin market cap screen. We're just going to look at the total chart because it does the same thing for us. All right. So if you look left, critical resistance points for the total market cap, all the cryptos, including Bitcoin. And if you want to see all the altcoins without Bitcoin, total 2 is the ticker. All right. So anyway, hitting the sell wall, the critical resistance points. We are accumulating higher lows, and now we're running again, attempting to break the same area. Going to be very difficult. If you were to break to the upside, a measured move would put you at $204 billion market cap. If you broke to the downside, wherever we did decide to break, measured move will put you around $141 billion market cap. Golden cross on total happened on 420 actually.
Is that a joint?
Oh, yeah. That's it, man. Total market cap, great. Kangs with the bullish Gartley and falling wedge that played out tremendously with that beautiful, beautiful daily bullish divergence to boot. Fan freaking tastic. 1414 and 786 converged perfectly right there. So nice. So freaking nice, man. Good Lord. Thanks for the 515 people still tuned in as we just take a look at Bitcoin, total market cap, and all the above, right? Well, I guess we're not trying to look at all the above tonight because Bitcoin has been stealing the show. It's been stealing the show, dude. So again, high to low, 1272 target was it. Coin collector likes turtles. That's right, dude. Holy crap. Oh, this is the part of the song that was playing when we broke the wall, the sell wall on that ascending triangle April 1st. Wonderful, dude. Like, I'll never forget that. Thanks, Adam Walsh. Glad you like the music, dude. What are you talking about, Sam Sarah? What you talking about, dude? So Christian, dude. Yeah, it was a wonderful day, man. It was a wonderful day. All right. Old Seth, man. He's been busy. He's out in the Andromeda Galaxy working, but he'll be back one day. You gotta believe. Believe in his word. Sorry, man. It's really tough. It's like... It pulled back, man. It sold off pretty hard.
Yo, Mitch, can you check yo/BTC daily? Do you think price action would qualify as an ascending triangle? Thanks.
Thanks, Alonzo, man, for the 3s, dude. Tron Connect in the jar. Let's take a look, man, okay? Nah, dude. Nah. I don't think so. I don't think so at all. You really want to look at this? Alright, EOS. Right. So trade set up, right? Our theory was good, right? We broke back above this area. We back tested. We were holding. It's like, okay, man, if you're holding like this, good shot. And also, I think we had the falling wedge, too. Yeah, it was the falling wedge, really, that got us into this. But it was the falling wedge that coincided with the support that we were holding that was so strong. And we back test the area that was once resistance as support. Kang's measure move was hit. First target of the trade was hit. And then we formed like a diamond, dude. And look what happened. The diamond's like eventually, like you just like broke out, false breakout, and sold. Look at this, man. Ugh, so ugly, dude. Right? But looking at the daily, going back to it. No, I do not think so, man. I think this is more like a rising wedge, like a huge rising wedge that we have just broken out of. Like, no joke. Okay, let's just clean it up. Not a big deal. Okay, the first target was hit, second target not hit. All right, not over yet. Not over yet. But look, we broke the upsloping channel support. Very, very bad. And I want to show you exactly what might have happened. Ricewind Land, welcome. Not good at all, man. Rising wedge? That is correct. Almost not, though. Almost a channel. Two upsloping converging trend lines. Is that right? That's what's probably going on, dude. Which is not bullish. Now, if we pivot here and we don't really start selling off for real, could just be a channel, right? Could end up just being like 1 and 2 and 3 and maybe 4. Let's just see real quick how that works. How does this play? Ah, yes. That does play very well. Look, let's get rid of the wedge. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. 1 and 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Look, you're just bouncing off of it now. There you have it. Okay, impulse up, upsloping consolidation, very similar to Bitcoin price action. Hey man, you were kind of warned up here, right? Higher high on price, lower levels of positive momentum, lower levels of relative strength consecutively. And look, the negative momentum came in after that. You sold off. Class A bearish divergence. That was bearish, man. All right. So just at the bottom of the upsloping channel. But I think there is definitely some upsloping support here too. All right. And then people could just argue that, oh, it's like a much larger ascending broadening wedge. Whatever, dude. Okay, great. Anyway, this was like the same trend line as the equidistant channel that I just had. So don't worry about it. Okay. Non-ascending triangle. No, I don't think so, dude. I don't think so. I think it's just upsloping channel. All right. But I get it. I get the psychology of the resistance at the 382, 10,784. You just can't break it. And you sold off, but you're making higher lows. I get you, man. I know what you're saying. And there's just really not much resistance looking left. So it just seems to me like we're not done. I feel like it just would be weird if we didn't run up and start hitting a 50% retrace. Now, you can't be mad if it's done because we, from the high point up here to the low point, we hit, oops, holy crap. We hit the 382, the beginning of the golden zone. And we know that is the area where we can reverse our price action to the downside and be done. Golden zone right here for EOS. Between 10,784 and 14,477, all right? So, sorry, I know there's like chat there. I don't still have definitely have like mixed feelings on this chat being on the screen because of the numbers. I can't really move it, but I can hide it. So I don't know if I should keep it up or not, all right? Okay, what else? Thanks. Oh my god. Yep, golden cross on Dash. Yeah, we're looking at it yesterday, I think. Holy crap. Are people getting in a fight? Human Trapbot, why are you talking crap, man? What did I do? What did I even do, man? Okay. Good lord, man. Wait, why would Greg, why? Could you undo that, please? He didn't do anything. There you go. Sweet. Dude, it's like, jeez, man. I don't understand the issue with the hostility. Good Lord. Y'all, everyone calm down. Bitcoin moved the upside. I thought that's like what people... If Bitcoin moving to the upside, like, you know, hitting like 5% gains in a day, that'll make you happy and you're still upset, dude. Nothing's going to make you happy, dude. All right. Good Lord. Look at that. Welcome. Sorry. If you can understand me. My bad. Hey, Matthew Gliver, dude. What's up, dude? Stay on the corn. Yeah. Shouldn't be getting away from the corn. All right. But, you know, if someone tips an S coin, they want to see it, we're going to see it, okay? Sorry. Holy crap. XRP, what happened to you? Zargi Mayan. Good question, man. What happened to him? Old XRP. Am I getting the bats? Sent some? I'm sure I am. If you have, because I know it works. Because like when I verified, I had whatever the address was, it was going there. So I had like bat. So yeah, I'm sure I am. I just have to check. I'll make it a new thing to where like I'll have it set up, right? I think I have a bookmark. What? Why does it keep doing this? I have to like verify my email every time. Dude, I verified my phone number. Like two-factor authentication. Why would it do this? Dude, sorry. It's like really annoying. Good Lord. Yes, thank you. Authentication failed. Dude, give me a break, man. I'm not screwing with this right now. It's so dumb. Here's the referral code. Now, that's for Twitch, though. What? Dude, whatever. I'm not worrying about it. Screw this. I'm done with it. I'm done with it, man. Sneaky snake. Oh my god, man. What's my TA on XRP, bro? Hey, bro. We've done it like 1 trillion times today. What's up, Orion? Hey, it's just 0, man. What's up, dude? Danny says XRP is always the last to move, but when it does, it smashes the charts. Danny, I don't know, man. History does not, you know, I mean, like, previous price action does not indicate future performance, right? So. Ernesto, you're waiting on CND? Yeah, man, you gotta have to wait, man. That thing's in an ascending triangle, potentially reversing. Okay. Yeah, that's right, Zargi. Cool chat indeed. Someone should donate $100,000. Who's him? Make him mad? Who is he? Prince of Opinion, dude. All right, Mr. Sid Vicious. Sleep well, bro. We'll try to keep Bitcoin up while you're sleeping, okay, man? We're struggling, though. We're definitely struggling. Really having issues at this 55.26 area. Horizontal line resistance back. Look. Where are we, dude? Where in the world are we? Nowhere. Just chop, right? Maybe on the daily it's something. Yeah. Just wicks, man. Just chop. Else to the left. Ah, yes. This is the resistance. You're getting an October of 2017 candle high, or excuse me, candle low close, little double bottom. There is resistance here. That is what we're using. 55.26. Tough. We have already had that plotted. We said it could act as an area of resistance, but it's really weak. It's really weak, and the amount of consolidation we've had for like, since, you know, I don't know. I mean, April 10th was the high. So like 2 weeks we've been consolidating, so this shouldn't be too hard to break if you really want to get up to 5,800. All right, this is kind of it. All right, so again, big wig off the 1272 daily time scale, upsloping channel, upsloping flag, whatever, kind of improper. And you'd be expecting maybe to see bullish divergence. You don't even have, look, you're making higher highs than your previous highs, and you got no positive momentum still on the daily. Good Lord, man. So, Cade Shaw, long story short, Bitcoin made the highest candle high close on the daily yesterday, maybe about 6 hours ago, 5 hours ago. And that's really good when you make a higher high, okay, than your previous high. Because before that, we were not able to do it. We tried and tried this weekend, then Monday comes around, higher high. And now a bullish engulfing candle is manifested into hitting a 1272 from your previous high to low, right here at 5640. And still inside the parameters of the upsloping flag or channel, whatever. Okay, higher highs with no positive momentum, only negative momentum, and you're kind of overbought. You're at 74 on the RSI on the daily. So hot, but overbought. No, Edwin, no one can do that. Not really. I mean, like, it's just weird. We're swing traders here, so we use significant time scales, like the day on the 4 hour, because they're much more reliable. Okay, beautiful. What's up, DeWalt, man? Made the call, 5888. Okay, yeah, dude, let's do it, man. 3, 2, 1, Kappa. All right. Sure thing, Cade. Thanks for being here. Oh, yeah, it's all speculation, me, exclamation mark, right? Dude, it's freaking lit, though. Stop insulting BitConnect by calling XRP Connect. It just isn't fair. Dude, we call everything Connect, though. We even called the US dollar Connect. It's like everything's Connect. Everything. Good Lord. There you go, Greg Morgan. There's that crystal ball. Scary stuff, man. Okay. Here's King Logan posted this. NVT indicator all-time highs. We broke 6,000, and here we are. Not at all-time highs, right? That's the all-time high NVT signal. What was that? I can't even see. 180, something like that, on that indicator. So, yeah, very high, but not the highest. Cool. Thanks, King Logan, man, for the update. Sweet. What's happening? Holy crap, dude. That's hilarious, Logan, dude. What you just said in that chat, dude. Biggie Knight, what's so funny, dude? Are you saying lots of love or laugh out loud, dude? I'll never know. Okay. It's a 50-50 shot. Oh, yeah? People need Shaman Rich May to predict all prices, please. I mean, we can use like 10 seconds of Rich May shamaning. Okay. We might need to pull him out. All right. This is what you're asking for, dude? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your cryptocurrency shaman. My name is Rich May. Welcome. Though we don't know anything about technical analysis, we must think that Bitcoin will go to 8,000 next, based on nothing, based on the thoughts going on in my mind. Okay, because it just feels that way. Alright, does that help? There's your shaman fix, okay. Sorry, we make fun of, I don't know, like people that just stare at CoinMarketCap all day. Those people giving you value. Okay, yeah, they're philosophers, man. Okay, crypto philosophers. It's all about the fundamentals. TA, what's TA? TA's fake, man. It doesn't even work. Yeah, right. Give me a break. Wait, what? Omega. Shaman Connect. Yes, dude. Yes. This is not funny, man. This is my life. Okay. I just need a shaman hat, okay? Need to find myself a shaman hat. What do shamans wear, dude? IRL shamans. Does anyone know?
I am not amused.
Okay. Sorry, I blacked out. What? You lorded. Okay. Just sitting tight. 55.13, man. Stablecoin, Kappa. It's not that it doesn't work right, Introverts United. It's just that compare. Have both browsers open on Chrome and TradingView and see the fluidity of scaling in and out, like with your mouse wheel. And you tell me if you don't see some kind of crazy difference, because I did. I was like, I can't use Edge. I can't. It's not going to work. I'm sorry. Is this too loud? The music? Let me know, okay? Maybe so, Ben. I guess so, dude. XRP's mooning. Yeah, right. Huh. Nice debate, dude. Nice debating. Too bad for you. I have another chart or another screen. I can look at it without having to subject chat to the debating. Okay. Karim says, as a Juju spirit trader, I'm offended by your chime comments, dude. Karim, man, I'm sorry, dude. I truly am sorry. I was not sensitive to your needs. Okay. I was not. You were literally not amused. Okay. Don't be mad at us. Okay. Wow, Prince of Penny says, move your XRP into Tether for better price action, dude. Need to get you on the show for a little stand-up, XRP comedy stand-up, okay? The roast of XRP. And I'll do it. We'll get Alex Cobb. We'll do it like Pledgeship. You know, in Pledgeship, what you do is there was one night where it was, okay, you can steal and take one brother hostage, and you tie him up and you get him S-faced. We'll get Alex Cobb, we'll get him S-faced while everyone gets in the Discord and we're live streaming and they make their jokes about XRP. And he's like, no, I can't listen to it anymore, man. Anyway. Yeah, Trevon Market Cap Live. Let's do it, man. Let's go to the chart, dude. Let's go, not even the chart. Let's just go to the website. Imagine if CoinMarketCap went down for a day. What would happen? No content, dude. You can't go live that day. All right. What do I think of the Hodge twins technical analysis? Do they actually have technical analysis? I remember what they actually made fun of the theory of the descending triangle at 6,000, which was, they were talking some serious crap about technical analysis. That kind of threw me back. I'm like, dang, dude, you're really talking crap about the descending triangle? I mean, like, there was a falling wedge and descending triangle theory, and the descending triangle actually played out to be very, very valid, and they crapped all over it. I remember that, watching that. But, other than that, I think they're hilarious, and I'd love to interview them one day. Okay, it'd be very fun because they seem like cool people. Oh boy, Benito was the most legendary TA shaman. Yeah, Bradford, he was. He certainly was. Maybe so, Mr. Me. Is that you, Mr. Meowgi? Did you change your name in a way, dude? How could we ever TA if CoinMarketCap website goes down, man? No. This biometrics not working. It's pissing me off. Hold on. Okay, sorry. What's next? If we get a rejection off the upper resistance, the 5738 area. Well, we pull back and we waiting for pattern development, right? You're always going to get pattern development after the impulse. We're impulsing up, clearly, and this thing could run again. I mean, dude, you're just stalling after a big move, okay? 2 hours, 30 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. It's really not that big a deal. So you could run up, and then you could just immediately start selling off, come back to the heart line, bounce off it as support, then run again. You could stay extended in this upsloping channel. Or you could stay within this upsloping channel for an extended amount of time before eventually, I think, selling off and making common retrace levels from your major swing low from December 15th to wherever we decide the swing high is for real, because we don't have it. We don't have it now, so we can't fib yet. We cannot Fibonacci yet for the major targets. Okay. That's right, dude. Cobra Kai season 2 in 2 days. Yes. It's less than 2 days, man. What are you talking about? Well, I guess 23rd, 24th. It'll be like a day and a half, right? Excited. Super excited, dude. TA frenemies. What are you talking about, dude? Yeah, they are hilarious, bed, bro. They are. Reading chat, man. We've been, hey, extended coverage. If you're enjoying this extended coverage of this live stream, been live for 2 hours, 30 minutes. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub. It's getting late over here, okay? But I'm here. I'm here. Thank y'all. Thanks for the 434 people watching. Dang, dude. 305 likes. Y'all are absolutely incredible. Friggin' love y'all. My God. Do you ever get out of the house? Sometimes. Sometimes, Caviar, I try to get outside of my house every day, at least to sit on my front porch or my deck to get a little sun, okay? Just a little bit. In all seriousness, no, I mean, like, I don't get out as much as I'd probably like to, based off my geographical location, coinciding with the amount of workload I put on myself for this, okay? I mean, you can't say I don't put a tremendous amount of time and effort into what I do. So that definitely has taken a huge toll on my ability to even leave because of that, right? Just saying. Mark Douglas Connect? Don't you dare say that, Greg Morgan. How could you do that, man? That's the one thing we don't say, man. Wax on, wax off. Oh, gross, man. Terrible. Range bound. Dumpster fire. Crazy bearish divergence. You're probably just joking, right? Because it was really bad, dude. It was like, oh, that played out beautifully in terms of the divergence. Beautiful, class, almost class A, class B-ish, class AB. A bearish divergence, man. Bearish divergence on the Wax Connect. It's a video game coin, dude. You just don't get it, man. You're not hip with the times. Look, the double top, class B bearish divergence on both oscillators on a daily time scale in the dead middle of a range. Okay. Hey, higher lows. I'm sure there's a support. Some sort of support, dude. Yeah, great. You know, whatever. Don't break below that, but you probably could easily. Okay. Hey, Golden Cross, good for us, dude. Golden Cross, great. Anyway. Whew. What face? Obaku? What face indeed? Yeah. I know, man, we're not able to really articulate our emotions on YouTube as well as we could on Twitch. It sucks, man, but hey, at least we have bits over here, right? The Twitch bits have integrated into our YouTube. All right. That's right, James. Welcome, man. Get some of that vitamin D. Well, the thing is, I'm a redhead, so I don't even require as much vitamin D as a normal person, okay? So, hey, Anon. HV, thanks for the $1 contribution, dude. Kanks. We appreciate that. Of course they have largemouth bass in Alabama. Of course. What kind of question is that, Development? Oh, it was a joke, dude. Well, we waxed on and we waxed off, okay? But we did it in honor of Crypto Kai, or I'm sorry, Cobra Kai. What's up, Johnny Profit, man? You're trying to go an hour after waking up without looking at prices? Pfft, good luck, dude. That's like, I'm in bed still when I'm looking at prices when I wake up. I'm like, yeah, that's like literally one of the first things. Just get on TradingView on the phone app. It's really bad. It's probably a smart thing to not do that. Healthy anyway, but I don't know. Kogan Ling. Hey, Kogan Ling, welcome, dude. It's your first stream ever on watching, Kogan. Dang, dude. What's up, Cal Capone, dude? Ginger Gang. Well, I'm more of a day walker. Okay, man. How do you predict volume for TA? Well, crypto, it's tough too, man. Okay, it's really tough too because there's just so much manipulation on these exchanges, wash trading, and we know that the high side majority of Bitcoin trading occurs OTC, not on exchanges. Therefore, we don't know. There's a lot of volume, but we can't. So it's not weighed as heavily or weighted as heavily in crypto as it might be in the New York Stock Exchange. In Forex, it's not really taken into account too much either. But here, it's really like, you're going to use it. You'll have it. If it's a coinciding variable, that's great, man. But it's not going to be like make or break to anything, okay? Kogan Ling is your hero? Yeah, dude, me too, man. I heard of him in a movie. Huntsville Lake is awesome. Bass fishing, that's right, dude. Hey, what about crappy Alabama? The crappy capital of the world. You ever even heard of that, dude? It's up like a little north of Jacksonville. Can't remember the name of it. What was the name? Like, name of that town I was in one time for business or going through it. It was like selling to like a hotel. Like a motel, dude. I'm like, what is this place? Crappy Alabama? Was it crappy Alabama? No, it was not crappy Alabama. It was the crappy capital of the world, though. Which one was it, dude? Okay. Not Starbucks? What you talking about, not Starbucks, dude? Gunnersville. Oh, yeah, Gunnersville's awesome for fishing. They have, like, crazy tournaments out there, man. They're like ESPN tournaments go to Gunnersville, man. And I think Logan Martin, too. Do I dream crypto, Bergolinos? Not really, you know. Dude, I most time dream tornadoes. Like, if I dream, a lot of times I'll see tornadoes. Weird stuff like that. It's weird, because I grew up around, like, I had, like, the weather, the climate when I was growing up was terrible. Like, I was in the basement, like, all the time because of tornadoes. And then, like, again, like, my uncle worked at the Weather Channel, so, like, I was going to Atlanta to the Weather Channel itself and getting to, like, take tours and see it and get in front of the green screen and all that, and got introduced to local meteorologists and stuff. I mean, like, you know, my schemata wasn't really charting, but I think all that stuff's childhood stuff, so that kind of, like, sticks with you as you get older. So, like, that's what I dream about most of the time. Okay, I don't know. Sorry to hear you had a dream about that, Johnny, man. Jeez. Is 88 a good coin? It's a good coin to trade. Respected the living crap out of the TA on the Momo shift. Hit the 618, the measure move. Yeah, good coin to trade. All right. Oh my God, the 5-minute prediction for the Bears. 54.80. What? You had a dream that Bitcoin ran up and XRP did not move. Well, you must be the shaman. The shaman, dude. Okay. All the biggest bass come from Texas because everything's, oh yeah, is that it, TX7? Funny, dude. Funny. You had me for a second, okay. Whatever. Oops. Dude. All right. So this is a trade I took last week. Limit buy got filled, and we're in. We're in it. And so now we wait, and it could take us weeks for this to play out. Okay, Activision, Blizzard on a daily time scale. Is that the rising wedge? That is correct. Burger to the rising wedge, the measure move and beyond, and then down sloping consolidation after an impulse down. Inverse head and shoulders with, you know, descending broadening wedge, right? Two bullish patterns, all the same. And $44 entry. Again, we hit it and then bounced. So it was me and a bunch of other people, I guess, thought this was a good area of low risk, high reward opportunity. And now we wait for the downsloping resistance to be broken. Measure move would be hit at $55. Decent area takes a profit, but this could be a much greater move because we know from that major swing high to swing low. The golden zones between $57 and $67.60. Oh, a little stock market technical analysis scaring you, dude. Monk ass. Yeah, this is y'all right now. This is all y'all like right now. Okay. Oh my god, dude. I can't believe he's looking at stock market, dude. Okay. What's up, Golden Eagle, dude? Dang, dude, we got Golden Eagles, we got Golden Crosses, we got Golden Zones, we got Golden Pockets, we got Golden Retraces, we got Golden Mean Ratios, we got Golden Grams, we got Golden Girls, we got Golden Everythings. Literally everythings are golden today. Kangs, welcome, dude. All right, Bitcoin's starting to move up a little bit more again. Not much, but whatever. Well, the biggest bass are in Miami. It's probably not bass, it's probably bass. Yeah, have you seen the minivans with all the woofers? The subwoofers, man. Fantastic. It's just zero, man, okay? There's still room to run in this channel, which we got very close, man. We were not very far off at all. I mean, 5,700 straight up is the top of the channel, but if this can, like, extend up for, you know, this can move up for an extended amount of time where you're consistently getting higher highs, right, inside this channel. Great stuff, gentlemen. Great stuff, man. It doesn't matter. It's being severely mismanaged in the price dump, dude. They're also, like, they're showing bad earnings and stuff, so the price dump can commence, and it has, and now momentum is shifting. We're turning things around on Activision, okay? Dude, like, you can say it's mismanaged all you want, but you're talking about an asset that makes hundreds of millions of dollars, all right, quarterly, and guess what, dude? We went from $85 to, like, less than $40. Bitcoin, the value Bitcoin has is like, okay, it's decentralized blockchain technology, but it doesn't make any money like Activision. And Activision lost over half its value in a matter of 5 weeks or something. How can Bitcoin recover, but Activision Blizzard can't? Okay, don't even talk about it, dude. All right, it doesn't matter if it's mismanaged. I know that. They've run off the OGs at Blizzard and pay to play or whatever it's called, you know, the freemium stuff and the microtransactions. I get it, man. They're all making shells of games. It's not just Activision. It's Take-Two and EA, all right? They all do it. Video game sector, we get it. But guess what? There's a lot of money there, and they make a lot. Okay, and that's not going to change. So, whatever. What about the Golden Company, Desert Fox, man? Okay. Oh, wait, we got Golden Showers? Okay, good one, bet, bro. Oh, should we go to the 60-minute chart, man? Would this be more exciting for everybody? Look at this 60-minute chart. Whoa, dude. Look at all the candles.
I'm a snake. I'm a slithering sneaky snake.
I'm a slither little snake. I'm a slither little snake. I'm like slither. I'm like anaconda. I'm gonna swallow Jennifer Lopez. Hey, Jennifer Lopez. Hey, Ice Cube.
Thanks, Mr. Snake, for the Sneaky Snake 333. Repeating, of course, contribution, dude. Kangs. Much love. Oh yeah, Vanilla WoW's coming out. Oh god, the nostalgia there. I'm sure they'll kill it. Big one's starting again. All right, 60-minute chart. That's what I'm going to do for you. All right, yep, running again. Look at this last hour. The last hour was the big one. And now, yeah, again, we're starting to move. Like session highs on the 60-minute chart. 60-minute candle anyway. All right. There's like 16 minutes left until this one closes. Yeah, decent volume came in. Nice positive momentum. Bullish convergence on both oscillators. But you're currently sitting at, my God, 80 on the RSI on the 60-minute. Wow. Crazy stuff, dude. Targets are up here again. 1272 is the first one. Warcraft 3 was a great game. Yeah. I used to play Dota on it all the time before it became Dota 2. Have we hit a golden cross? Absolutely. Southern Seekers UK. Did you see the title of the stream, man? Did you see the PogChamp looking at the literal golden... You know, that was a literal Bitcoin chart on the daily with the PogChamp. All right. What's up, MK, dude? How you doing, man? Who's the snake guy? Unsub. People like to pay Take-Two, though, because of GTA and Red Dead. You know, I mean, that's all subjective, right? Those are all subjective comments about the video games and the quality of video games and stuff like that. So, I mean, the big thing is they all make money. They can all win. Okay, they're competitors, but they're all winning. Okay. I think EA really did a really good job with Apex Legends. Taking the Fortnite style with their incredible budget. Making a free-to-play game. Alright, so I thought that was a pretty good move. Power play on their part. Again, that's EA Games. The leader. That is like the industry leader is EA. Despite what anyone thinks or cares about, they are the industry leader. Just like Nvidia is the semiconductor leader. Since they, you know, freaking have a patent on the GPU. Wow. Dota 2 is better than Dota, yeah. I guess, yeah, a little bit. Because it's like the same thing, right? It's pretty freaking the same. I hate how they take out the Warcraft lore. Alright, they change all the names, Benjamin. That's what I hated the most about Dota 2. But when you start playing it, you're like, dude, this is awesome. Right? But it's just the time sink involved with Dota, man. And the toxicity of the communities. Holy crap, man. Yeah, they did, Benjamin. Yeah, surely. What am I going to buy? I mean... Probably just keep putting money in the stock market. But are you asking me what crypto am I buying? Prince? That's right, Logan's Bitcoin loot is growing nicely. Apex is dead already? Daniel Oakensheld, is that true? Nuh-uh. It was having crazy numbers, man. It was already a fluke. They'll ruin Apex Legends too. Huh. I don't know. I heard they were making a lot of money. Like, maybe a fluke, like, but the microtransactions are killing it. They're short on corn futures. Corn futures are down today. We might be out of corn with the drought. All right. So still just sitting along, man. Dude, we had the impulse, and now we're just seeing where the top start. You know, where are we going to top out on this thing? Great, great impulse, though. Remember to hit up our Discord, because when the stream ends, that's the best way you're going to get in contact with me or anyone else in this community, all right? Over 1,500 members in our Discord, all right? If you are like-minded like us, you care about technical analysis, our community is exactly for you, okay? What's up, Alvarez? A new bull trend? Well, you know, bull trend, I mean, like, are you talking about, like, oh, we're going to 20K? Because we don't really know if we're in a real bull trend until we exceed 20,000, okay? The real bull trend. But, yes, we've been in an uptrend really since that late January pivot off 33.43, the bullish Gartley. Yeah, things have turned around since then, certainly. Brian M., well, that's stupid on their part, dude. They deserve to lose all their money if they've invested their life savings into it, okay? That's just so stupid, dude. See, Vital says, heck no, Apex is good. See? All subjective, man, right? That's exactly what I mean. People say, this game's better than that game. What about XRP movement? Yeah, very nice, man. Very nice. The Bitcoin futures chart. Well, I don't know, stay on this chart. I mean, we're starting to break to the upside, making those session highs right now. 60-minute candle, 10 minutes left until our close. So just trying to move up again. Might start using Brave browser so you can tip me, bro. Thanks, Matthew Clifford, man. Appreciate that. All right. Never really any formal one, Sean, dude. Believe it or not. Okay. What do I think about that, man? Speculative, of course, right? Because I've heard so many bad things about 5G in itself, right? So I don't know. Right? Telecom, too. I see anything promising with Ravencoin? You should have asked Stephen Wright, like, what, a month and a half ago when we were in Atlanta? No, that was KNC. No, maybe a week before that. Hey, one of our patrons called it, dude. He was like, hey, man, you see this falling wedge? He's like, yeah, dude, that's falling wedge. And he broke out of downsloping structure. But the thing is, I mean, Ravencoin was the one that hit the lottery. We had so many set up like that, and a lot popped. Some failed. And that's part and parcel of trading, right? You keep getting these setups. You keep taking the shot, the low-risk, high-reward opportunity. You're going to win in the end. But Ravencoin, it's done its thing, right? Well, Marvin, man, if you played with a hacker on a random queue, that sucks, man. I don't know how that works, but dang, dude. Well, we really you can't say that, Alvarez, because we have not broken overhead resistance, dude. There was, I mean, sure, down here, yeah, we broke the downsloping structure on Bitcoin, but dude, you have to like exceed all this. That's so much stuff you have to break above. So all we're doing for now is making retraces and back testing areas again. That's all high to low. We were over half our value lost in 5 weeks, man. This was expected. If you've been watching the stream, you knew that this is the area we expected to go to. All right, and that's as high as we've gotten. We haven't really gotten much higher than that. We haven't even tested 5,800 yet. So good luck breaking above all this. Real good luck. Okay, you start breaking above all these areas and really keep making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows over and over and over again, then we'll talk. But for now, it's just a standard retrace that's getting kind of deep. A deep retrace that hadn't even touched the next resistance points. Okay. But yeah, it is uptrending. It is uptrending for now. Oh my god, we live. What's up, Julia? Dang, dude, you mined Ravencoin on the first day and sold at the bottom? Well, dude, again, like, you can't beat yourself over stuff like that. Beat yourself up over stuff like that just because, like, again, it's like the lottery, man. That's why we have our third profit-taking level, right? In case the windfall hits. Oh, Vital, also when it goes down, too. Don't forget that. I mean, that's all I've been really exposed to for this past year of streaming. Is like big sell-offs, people crying and screaming and taking it out on me. I hate you, Ray. It's like, dude, but we said that we were probably going to dump, man. We showed a bear pull, bear flag. I don't care. Screw it all, man. There's so many, like, vitriolic comments and hate. Crazy, because people probably got in really, really high. Here we are, man. Bitcoin breaking back the upside, right? Up 3%. 55.47. Trying to make the trek again. Bradford says 5G kills birds. Someone said that in this chat once, so it's probably true. Sounds about right, man. Correct. Should you trade all your Bitcoin for Fortnite V-Bucks? This is not financial advice, but maybe. Okay, maybe. Kappa. Benjamin Weber. Not always necessarily true, but yes, we understand that golden crosses are just lagging indicators. Yes, so they're not something to completely rely on because we're not. The consolidation we're showing after the impulse is not proper. You hit 5,800 with this type of price action, not gonna end that well. Okay, you're gonna have major retraces to the downside. Oh, Alex Jones can teach us about 5G and frogs, right, Herbert, man? He knows all about the frogs. What's up, Oliver, dude? Okay, holy crap, man. Been going long, burning the midnight oil tonight. Really burning it. Whew. Yeah, we'll see Daniel Oakenshield, dude. Nice, JR. You're catching up on stream. 30 minutes behind on chat. Or on stream, you're watching at 1.5 times. Is my voice higher when you watch at 1.5 times? So remember, if you're new in here and you're curious about when I go live, right? I stream multiple times a day for the most part, 6 p.m. Eastern and 11 p.m. Eastern. So make sure to, set your calendar, your schedule, whatever, if you want to watch me, because notifications are very tenuous. Well, the reliability of the notifications on YouTube is very tenuous, and that is another big reason why you want to join the Discord, because when I go live, everyone will get pinged when I produce a static video or when I start streaming, okay? You just can't miss it if you're in the Discord, okay? That's right, Herbert, man. Any idea why BAT is going down? Yeah, David Lamb, because it hit nearly the 1618 fib extension from the all-time highs to the low after it, when it bottomed out. And we also hit the measure move of the huge inverse head and shoulders on BAT. Extreme runs to the upside. How could anyone ask why we're selling off, dude? Because it went so high so fast. That's why. What's up, Chewy Orange? Glad you're back, man. Welcome. Can we start over? Yeah, Julia, let's start over. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Cabo. Correcting or connecting? Oh, yeah. Both, man. Most of the time? Yeah, right, dude. Of course, hit the bell, the sub. Of course, Bradford. But, dude, it is not most of the time. You know what's hilarious? I check my analytics. For the most part, like most of my streams, about 12% of my views come. Okay, am I back? Yeah, I just got throttled. Holy crap, I got throttled right there. Dang, dude. Drelligus, I'm glad you like my static videos, man. Alright. 5 Ethereum or date with Emma Watson? Come on, dude. Ethereum, of course. Kappa. Alright, Adam Wash. Sleep well, man. Again, we'll try to hold the price up for you as well as we can. Currently at 76 on the RSI. Crazy, man. 4-hour. Highest high we've seen since November 19th, 2018 or so. Alright, Ernesto, man. Sleep tight. Well, you guys stopped out. That's good news, man. I don't know. Internet's been relatively reliable, dude. It has been. You got wormed there. Ooh, gross. Jonathan, if I was you and I had $1,000 to invest, I'd be investing in books, lessons. I'd be investing my time into learning those books, taking those lessons, and developing a trading plan and strategy to be successful, Jonathan. That's what I'd do with that $1,000. Okay? Because if you're asking me what you should invest with $1,000, that means you need to invest in yourself way more than you have already. Okay? Did I sort my computer? I got rid of Restream, and that cleared up all my issues for the most part. The computer still sometimes freezes randomly. It still does that, but that's manageable. That is a manageable issue. I was just happy to get my stream quality back to the way it should have been. Okay. Yeah, you can't use too much leverage, man. Midnight Oil live in 1990. You lost your job for it. Dang, Vic at night, man. Was it worth? Let me know if it was worth it, okay? Well, see, Greg Morgan says it was worth it, okay? And Drathicus says that you should put all that 1,000 into Pundi Connect coin. Kaba. Holy crap. Yeah, remember, if you're worried or want to know more about a trading plan, or can it kind of like you want a perspective on that, check out the landing page of my channel. Watch that 15-minute video. We go into Bitcoin a little bit at the beginning, but you just want to watch it. Just sit down, get a coffee, 15 minutes. If you're newer, it'll change your perspective on things, on what you should be checking and looking for if you're trying to trade. All right, swing trade. That's right, Chashmi. That's right. Hey, he had today he had hip replacement surgery, so we wish Coach Nick Saban well today. All right. No, Krim, I do not play CS:GO. Closest I ever got to CS:GO, I guess, was when I was playing Rust years ago. Okay, Rust was a lot of fun. I sometimes watch B Chills play Rust because he's really, really good, and he's like my age. What's real AF, Greg? Talking about the investing in yourself thing? RG says, or that's Dire Guy. Been watching crypto YouTubers for 3 years and you never popped up on my recommendations until April 1st, 2019. Wow, dude. That's crazy, dude. That's seriously insane. All right. Coffee, good idea, Julia. Not for me. It's like 2 a.m. Eastern right now. I've been live for 3 hours now. Extended coverage. If you're enjoying this extended coverage of Bitcoin going to the upside, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Y'all are incredible. Thank you. The 4-hour candle closed? No, it absolutely did not. We have 2 hours left. Doloff, man. 2 hours left on this 4-hour candle. As you can see right here, 4-hour chart. All right, 4 hours and 2 hours left. So we're halfway. Get wrecked, Kappa. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Throw his fruits. Sure. Drathix Rex, man, thanks for the $4 super chat. It says, I'm slowly laddering in my 1,000 into Mitch Ray TA coin and Zcash. Zcash Connect. Thanks, dude, for the foe. The foe for show. Heck yeah, man. All the biddies in the jar. It's awesome. Super chat. Vetbro says, same. June will be 2 years in crypto. Never saw you till April 1st. On the pump day, oh man. A lot of people saw me on that day and freaked out. Like, what? This guy's acting. He's acting like the Night King. Hey, we have a highlight video, but at least, so that was good. Thanks, Blunts Beats, man. I appreciate that. Dang, how'd you know if you're just now subbing Blunts Beats? What's going on, dude? Tell me the story. of how you're just subbing, but you know that I've doubled my viewership. Good S, homie. It never shows that you're live in the left-hand tab. If you extend it, they'll never silence me, man. Hey, dude, we're like literally, hey, every time you super chat, you're contributing to them, so they should like us now. They're actually getting a cut if you're using super chat, all right? They get 30% of each tip you give me. But you can tip me with Stream Elements, and they get 0, so it's your choice. Thanks to Landcat, man. Thanks, dude. Thanks for all the new members in the Discord. What are we at now? We're like... Dang, dude. 1,537 members. 1,537, whatever. Okay. It was the Drunk Wizard hat that got you to sub. Did we... I guess we Drunk Wizard hat that night? Yeah, I guess so, man. Got lit. Oh, you were stalking me? Hey, that's cool, dude. You're not the first, and you're not going to be the last, all right? Like, literally. Okay, Blunt Beats. It's not funny, but it's kind of funny, because I know you're just kidding, but it's weird. That's right, Bradford. We sure did. Set the world on ice. Yeah, we'll see. Check the Hopium indicator, TX, man. All right. What happened after 2 hours? I stayed live for a third. That's what happened to Oliver. Why not Vitally? Or Vital E36? What happened? Tell us your experience, your story, dude. Give us the VH1 story behind trading crypto on Robinhood. Go for it, dude. Hold on. I'm putting this on. Because I love this song. Harry Paper, what's up, dude? Godrico, you're really going to like it now then, okay? Oh yeah, dude. Prince of Penny says he's in favor of this transitioning into a makeup tutorial channel. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, we were thinking about that. We had a big meeting about whether we should become a makeup channel. You know, we give reviews on various makeups, things like that, right? Yeah, dude. Kappa Pride. You subbed, so you are no longer a buster. I've never... A buster? Sounds like such a northern insult, right? Shakedown Street is real fun, but this one's good too. But I know people in here have heard it a lot, but it's just so good, man. Like, really, I wasn't really into Grateful Dead. I mean, not so much until I heard this Jam compilation, and I've fallen in love with them, and like, I've been getting into Dead and Company now and stuff like that. AMP, thanks for joining. Welcome, dude. Hey, Steven Robb, man. Thanks for the 99-cent super chat, man. Thanks, dude. Makeup, more like makeup gains. Oh, you can't short on Robinhood. Gotcha, dude. Thanks for watching, Oliver. Okay. Gratitude both ways. Where? Buster's from California. Oh, okay, I got you. It's West Coast, man. Okay. TLC? What about TLC, Harry Paper, dude? You wish closed caption? No, you don't wish that, because guess what? The closed caption, someone tried doing it before with me, and it was awful. You won't understand half the words that are said. It doesn't recognize what I say. So many times. It says really weird stuff, too. Cal Capone, you're from the East Coast? That's okay, man. You can be from the East Coast. No, but I've seen Superbad. Break yourself, fool. Right, because he says that. I need to connect. Oh my god.
The old code for Benito Connect will fork into XRP Cash. The real cashing is upon us.
Oh yeah, dude. Dude, once XRP forks, if it ever does, man. Dude, that's bad. I don't. Hopefully it won't. I don't think it will. But good God, talk about mega bad. Okay, for the XRP army. Yeah, no scrubs, no pigeons, dude. Scrubs is card game talk? I don't know, it's video game talk too, man. Oh, dude, I've given my take on Bitcoin beyond a million times today. Alvarez, man. Okay. The bearish bat, I believe, was invalidated. And that might be due to the sentiment or the trend that we are in, which is, for now, upsloping. An upsloping trend is a bullish trend, whatever, using the B word. And so when you're in an uptrend, your bearish patterns, your bearish oscillators, everything is going to be less reliable than it would be unless if it was in a bear market. And so everything, look, you have a bullish trend, a bullish uptrend that we're in, and we have a bullish pattern, and it's hit all three targets and beyond. So more reliable pattern. So that's the way I think. I think we could plot and see some sort of upsloping channel for now. All right. What is a FOMO? What is a FOMO? What is a fear of missing out? What is a cardboard box? What is a Honda Civic? What is a Lambo? YouTube voice capture algo doesn't know how to translate Alabama, Tony Montana. Dude, am I Tony Montana? Do I have a Cubano accent, man? What's going on here? No one's ever said Alabama, Tony Montana. Wait. You said Tony Manata. Who's Tony Manata, dude? Confused, man. There you go. Prince of Opinion. Perfect, dude. I like Prince of Opinion, man. Are you new? You have to be new. You've only been around for a couple days, but I like you, man. You got some good wit. All right, good wit. Yeah, and Vital's true, too. He says, Scrub is a man that can't get no love from me hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride trying to holla at me. That is very true. That's also Scrub. Okay. Dude, everyone can be a part of our Discord, Jose. Okay, you don't have to be a patron, but there is the patron chat, of course. But hopefully you stuck around. But thank you, Jose, man. Appreciate the kind words, dude. So, Jordan Miller, what is Moon? Moon is only relevant to your targets. Okay, that's it. Oh, Tony Montana. Okay, who's that again? Who's Tony Montana again, Zenobi, man? Dude, I love it, man. Terrapin Station. So good. Alright, Alvarez. Sleep well, dude. Okay. Sorry, man. I'm just like, you know, when you get 3 hours and 11 minutes into a stream, it just starts getting tougher and tougher to focus, man. Alright. And I'm staying up later because I know there's demand for it, and people want to see what Bitcoin's doing, and I'm just giving extended coverage. So again, hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're in here, and you want to see this channel grow, because next time Bitcoin pumps or dumps, you want me to be here calling it in real time. Like, you're not even close. Most of the people on YouTube are just beginners, and thanks to you, it's easy to see that. Really, cheers from Venezuela. Jose, man, thank you, man. Thanks for making my night, dude. With those really kind words, dude. That means a lot. Thanks. Dang. Sometimes, man, kind words just cut through you in a very good way. Okay, and it feels good, man. It makes your heart feel very warm. Very full. While we listen to this incredible music. Oh yeah, Zenobi, man, did a lot of cocaine, man. No, not even close. Not even close, RG. The thing is, I don't even think we hit the target for entry on it yet, right? Which we think is like 180 to 182. We haven't even hit that yet. Right, way up here. We thought we hit it, maybe close, but you didn't touch it. You didn't hit the 1618. You almost hit it. So like this was the zone for where we might go. And look, dude, look, remember? The hypothetical, right? The hypothetical game, dude. You're just off a little bit. It's okay. See, that's like what we're looking for, man. We're looking to start making higher highs than our previous highs and run up to this area, and then that's how we could get that bearish divergence, and at an entry we could have bearish divergence, and that'd be a wonderful coinciding variable for the dump. Okay, man? Okay. Sorry, it's loud. It's never loud when you're playing Terrapin Station. Ever. Okay. A 48-hour stream. Give us what we want, or it's a strike. Like what? So RG, no man, still like in this limbo, I guess. What's up, Charles Globa, man? But you said I was like CNBC. Remember, and then I made the joke, Charles. Do you remember that, dude, in the comments section of that video? And it was fun. We all had a good time. Godric, man, thanks, dude. That means a lot, dude. Thank you. I'm surprised, dude. I think there's like either you love me or you freaking despise me. I don't think there's a middle ground. Well, yeah, I kind of like Ray. It's more like, oh, I love him, or I want to destroy him. That's pretty much what I've learned. Okay. Whew, man, the focus is like waning. Just getting late, dude. I don't know, I streamed for like almost 2 hours today, right? And then did the static video. And now I'm 3 hours and 15 minutes into an extended broadcast of the Bitcoin break to the upside with the highest highs we've seen since mid-November of 2018. Can you believe it? Yeah, you can believe it. You truly can, because we were consolidating improperly. We had a bullish Gartley that began all of this. Never forget what began all of this, chat. Viewers that were watching back then when no one else was. When everyone else quit crypto, they were done with it. But we were there. We were like, dude, 786 retrace, 1414 fib extension, higher lows, bullish divergence, double bottom, Adam and Eve. Everything's there, man. And how legendary would it be if that bullish Gartley ushered in the major retrace we expect between 4,400 and 5231. Well, here we are at 5537, exceeding the expected targets from that retrace. It's beautiful, man. It really is. Charles Go says my kids watch the channel. Well, I'm glad to hear that, man. Try to make it family friendly as possible. I mean, you know, whatever, man. When there's celebration and stuff like that, I'm gonna drink, but I try to keep it, you know, more on the I don't know, more on the wholesome side, whatever you want to call it. Anything like that. You've been defamationed. You've been defamationed, man. Defamed name, man. Good one, Dank Williams, dude. Good one. Good try. Good try. Holy crap. Yeah, good luck, dude. Good luck when you can read in the description everything. So it goes to 190 that's invalidated because the market is too bullish for a bearish scenario like Bitcoin just did. Quite possibly, man. But I think this kind of price action on Bitcoin could be what gives Ethereum the ability to get to that area, right? But yeah. By the time we get up to those areas, we'd be showing maybe some bearish divergence and all that. And then it might be the perfect storm, right, of just everything lining up perfect. Just like, remember on Ethereum to US dollar when we sold off, we dumped at that 3618 on the bearish crab BTC. Same type of stuff. It was like Bitcoin dumped. That was it right here. This was the move down when Ethereum was perfect and primed, right? Maybe we'll get another opportunity the same way, right? Why is that, Dolov, man? Will this be the first crypto channel for kids then? Probably not, dude. Sorry. No way. I would be probably broadcasting and investing all my time on Twitch if that was the case. Ooh, shots fired. Shots fired. But please try to convince me that most people watching Twitch aren't children between the ages of 13 and 17. Please try to convince me of that. Analytics would prove you wrong. Well, there's already cartoons of crypto, right? Gangslayer, man.
Love your vids, Mitch. I can't stand those black motherfuckers.
Wow.
So-called kings.
Wow, dude.
Long live the South, brother. Yeehaw.
Wow,
Black
dude.
motherfucker kings.
Hey, it's the same guy who posted the racist stuff last time. Wow, nice one, dude. Sorry that you have such a problem in your life, man. Does it feel good? I guess it does to someone with a warped perception. But hey, thanks for the contribution. Jeez. Thanks, Brandon. Racist. Wow. And he would do that because we were just talking about, like, you know, wholesome stuff. You got to have that one person with a really, really sad upbringing in life to do something like that. They're tipping me to say something that racist. Wow. Dude, Julia, that's like the IRL thing. Okay. Doxing actually can't do that? Oh, okay. I know what happened. Huh. I know what happened. We all know what happened. There's a distinct correlation with what is going on with the racism and the dislikes coming in. I wonder what it was, man. I wonder what it was. Crazy, dude. There you go, Prince of Opinion, dude. He's just kidding. I know. Y'all gotta understand, Prince of Opinion's pretty funny, dude. Okay. Thanks, Freddy Fingerman. Well, I'm glad you're watching it, dude. Okay. That's right, William, dude. Exactly. Oh, certainly, Tyler. Absolutely. Well, of course, Julia. That will never change, right? It's okay, though. Remember, if you're enjoying the live stream, that like button, that bell, that sub. We're just looking at Bitcoin. 3 hours and 22 minutes. Now we've been live. Dang. We're breaking out on the 3-minute chart. Holy crap, dude. Sound the alarms, dude. Sound the alarms. Alright, and then we got, yeah, Ethereum's breaking the upside. Currently at 175.50. And then Ripple, though. Nothing, dude. Just doing nothing. I just still can't break above the 50 or the 200 moving average. Very bad. Alright. TTD, rent free. TTD. Dude. Yeah, dude. Great new addition to TTD, Uber. Dude, really? Wait, we were talking about IQ earlier. People were talking about IQ in chat earlier. Talk about IQ. Uber, dude. Wow. Matthew, you know what I'm talking about, dude. That guy's lost his mind, dude. But yeah, John, man, it sucks, dude. Thanks for tuning in and chiming in, man. Yeah, it's like it's a very rare occurrence. He's like the only person that's ever existed. He did the TTS right as something happened, and I got a big spike in dislikes right after something happened that we all know about. I mean, it's like we know, it's a common knowledge there's someone who's lost their mind that's obsessed with me. I mean, it's okay, but dang, dude. Hey, CX Scup, what's up, man? You been lurking, dude? You know what I'm talking about. That guy, isn't he? Like, there? From, Uber? This next 4 hour candle close is pretty critical. Art of JR? I don't know, man. Maybe. I could also doji and do nothing for 4 hours. And then, 4 or 5 a.m. starts rolling around our time. We start moving after that, okay? Okay, sweet, man. CX. What's CX? RR Dizzle, man. Sorry, man. That doesn't exist anymore, dude. Not really. NCAA. Contact the NCAA about racism. But yeah, I think it was the NAACP. All right. One Lambo. Joseph win cardboard box. That's the big question. Yeah, Julia, exactly. Hey, man. It's whatever, dude. There are going to be alphas and there will be betas, and the betas will. That's how betas do things, right? So I'm cool with that. I don't care. Alphas will just keep being king. Okay, y'all, this has like been awesome, man. This has been like an extremely fun, entertaining stream, not just for y'all, but for me too. I've had a great time hanging out with y'all, reading charts, covering Bitcoin live while it ran up and hit that 1272 fib extension, dude. 5640 before wicking off hard, down $100 from where we topped. So great, man. Great to see the bat be invalidated. That's wonderful. We finally broke above that heart line. Beautiful, man. Bullish conditions remain intact. So look for those bullish patterns while the sun is still shining. All right. So let's try to read out all this. Okay. Do I watch VeChain? Of course I do. Big Crab Rob. I watch VeChain probably more than anyone else when it comes to technical analysis on the internet. Okay. We look at VeChain all the time. We even have a sound clip. If you don't know. Kangslower, Benito Connect, Stephen Wright, Drathicus Rex, Snake, Slithery Snake, Anon, Alonstrev, Ryan A, Vic at Night, man. Thanks for the top contribution of the evening. That $50 super chat, dude. Thanks, Brugalinos, Major Vlog, Ed McCracken, Eric Sanchez, LPLT, AF Visions, Art of JR, Gordon Gecko, Michael Kelly, Timothy Janika, Michael McHale, AJ Productions, Greg Morgan, Peter Asher, Mr. Gordeski. Thank you all for the contributions tonight. Overwhelming support. I friggin' love y'all. Because of the contributions you make, I'm able to come back multiple times a day to give you the best analysis of these markets. Okay? Day in and day out. You keep coming back, I'll keep coming back. All right? So, I will see y'all on the flip side tomorrow. Remember, I stream 5 or 6 Eastern, 6 p.m. Eastern, and 11 p.m. Eastern. Look out for that static video. Be sure to join our Discord to keep the conversation going. If you want to get in contact with me or anyone else here, Discord is the way to do it. Hit us up. See y'all tomorrow. Till next time, respect the TA. Dude, Zedry, man. Thanks so much, man, for the $5 contribution. Gangs, man. Love you, dude.
That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
I am not amused.
Adios, turd nuggets.